Good morning all. I'm Lavya from second year MBA. It is my absolute pleasure to introduce our esteemed judge today, Ms. Pratiksha Kotian, hailing from Mangalore. She is a dynamic and versatile professional dancer with over 14 years of experience, having performed across India and internationally. Ms. Pratiksha is highly skilled in multiple dance forms, including semi-classical, Bollywood, Western, salsa, hip-hop, and freestyle. She has showcased her talent in over 2,000 performances and has had the privilege of collaborating with renowned Bollywood celebrities like Udit Narayan and Sohail Khan. Currently, she serves as a professional dancer and assistant choreographer at Team Velocity Dance Professionals Mangalore, while also being employed at Head-On Technical Services LLC. Her previous experiences includes being a performer with Ocean Kids for 4 years. Beyond her performances, Ms. Pratiksha has played a key role in shaping young talent by judging various intercollegiate dance competitions, providing invaluable insights and feedback. Her incredible journey includes competing in India's Got Talent, Dancing Superstars, Hanarbaz Desh Ki Shaan, Starma Dance Plus and Zee Sign Awards 2024, where she performed her Bollywood singer Palak Muchal. In addition to her artistic achievements, she holds an MBA from Venkar Institute of Management, Mumbai, and a degree in Business Management from Besant Women's College. With her dedication, passion, and exceptional contributions to the world of dance, we are truly honored to have her with us today. On behalf of the institution, staff, and students, I extend a hearty welcome to you, ma'am. Our next judge is Saju MV. He started his dance academy in 2006 at Exxon Dance Academy and later joined the excellent Suratkal Kids Academy as a both dancer and choreographer. He was the winner of Shah Rukh Khan Gold Medal Dance Competition during the period of Excellent Dance Crew. Later, he founded his own dance academy named Swingers Dance Academy. Swingers Dance Academy has won many state-level competitions and has performed at numerous dance shows all over Karnataka, including TV channels. He was the first runner-up in national-level dance competitions held in Karwar in the year 2013. He has performed in over 700 dance shows and has won more than 50 state-level dance competitions. He is a former public relations officer of Dr. M.V. Shetty Group of Institutions and the former assistant administrative officer of SCS Group of Institutions. Currently, he is the proprietor of KL10 Resto and the Admission and the administrative officer at Manel Srinivasa Nayak Institute of Management. On behalf of the institute, staff and students, I extend hearty welcome to you, sir.
I am Swapna from second year MBA. Rules and regulations for the dance competition. First one, each team must have 5 to 8 participants. Time limit 4 plus 1 minutes. Judging will be based on choreography, music, costume, expression, makeup, coordination, and overall impact. The use of liquid fire, powder, glitter, heavy or sharp objects or any material that may damage the stage is strictly prohibited. Participants must submit their pen drive with this music at least 30 minutes before the event. Thank you.
Now we begin with the event. All the best for all the participants.
मेरे बच्चे, मैंने तुमसे कहा था रणभूमि में युद्ध हो उससे पहले मनोभूमि में खेला जाता है.
अरे युधिष्ठिर, अभी तो दुनिया की सबसे मूल्यवान वस्तु बची हुई है तुम्हारे पास.
पांचाली. जो उठेगा धड़ से कटेगा, कहाँ पे छिपेगा, कहाँ पे बचेगा. बात बात पर
तो गिरेगा गिरा तो चिरेगा, छिपा तो मिलेगा मिला तो मरेगा। भाग भाग बच सके तो बच ले आज है ये ज़लज़ला है, पूरे जोर पर चला है, किस्मत दम है जो लड़ा है, कौन रह सका खड़ा है। सबसे अटल सबसे प्रबल शस्त्र रचित रक्त चरित चरित रक्त 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 चरित।
सुनो वीर दुशासन, एक क्षण भी तुम न गवाओ, पंचाली के बाल खींचते हुए सभा में लाओ।
जरा मुख तो दिखाओ पांचाली।
दुशासन, प्रण लेती तेरे काल से अब डोलूंगी, तेरी छाती के रक्त से अपने बालों को धोऊंगी।
कथा संग्राम की, विश्व के कल्याण की, धर्म अधर्म आदि अनंत, सत्य असत्य कलेश कलंक, स्वार्थ की कथा परमार्थ की। शक्ति है भक्ति है, जन्मों की मुक्ति है, जीवन का ये संपूर्ण सार है। युग युग से कण कण में, सृष्टि के दर्पण में, वेदों की कथा अपार है। सबसे प्रबल शस्त्र रचित रक्त चरित चरित रक्त 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 चरित। सबसे प्रबल शस्त्र रचित रक्त चरित चरित रक्त 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 चरित। छमाछम नाचे आजे, धमाधम ढोल बाजे, नॉन स्टॉप हल्ला मचेगा। ओए नाचो सारे, अपनी फेमस है रात वाली यारियां, जाले सारा जहां। बेथलपुर मां सुन ले ओ छोरियां, झूमे नगरियां जब जब ये घूमे। कमर यार तारी कमरिया, कमर यार तारी कमरिया। बेथलपुर मां सुन ले ओ छोरियां, झूमे नगरियां जब जब ये घूमे। कमर यार तारी कमरिया, कमर यार तारी कमरिया।
हवा से है बंदी डोरी रे। झूमे गोरी घूमे गोरी चली कहाँ चोरी चोरी, हवा से है बंदी डोरी रे। शर्म छोड़ी थोड़ी
शुभ मंगल बेला आई, सपनों की डहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई शहनाई शहनाई।
रास रचील्यो साज सजील्यो शुभ घड़ी छे आवी, आजा आजा टमटमाता शमणाओ जे लावी ओ लावी ओ लावी।
संग ढोल बाजे धाय धाय धम धम धाय, नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय 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 धम धाय। ये धिन तड़ाक आजा और के सराट पैरों से बीड़ी जरा खोल, नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय धाय धम धम धाय, नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय 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 धम धाय। रे खट 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 बाज दस तक वो न अब तक आया रे, तब से हाँ कब से हाँ देखी राह के अब तू खोल बाहें आजा। मड़ घूमे रे मचले रे मोरा मन गूंजे रे बालम के बोल, गाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय धाय धम धम धाय, नगाड़े संग ढोल बाजे धाय 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 धम धाय।
हमारी रूम तुम करती आवी, हमारी रूम तुम करती आवी, आनंद उत्सव ने गरबानी रमजत साथे लावी। हमारी रूम तुम करती आवी, हमारी रूम तुम करती आवी, झांझर ने झणकारे मारी सखियों साथे लावी।
मोती बेराणा चौक मां आव्या अंबे मां, चौक मां जगमग थाय रे आव्या अंबे मां। मोती बेराणा चौक मां आव्या अंबे मां, चौक मां जगमग थाय रे आव्या अंबे मां। उड़ा लाल गुलाल के आव्या अंबे मां, चौक मां जगमग थाय रे आव्या अंबे मां।
शक्ति माड़ी ईश्वरी ने जगमा तारा जय जयकार, मां चामुंडा तमे चितमा वसो, केम करी जशो पेली पार। रमती आवे माड़ी रमती आवे, मेलडी माड़ी आज रमती
जग में तुझ सा कहाँ कोई जग में है वक्त का तू ही तो पहला पहर तू आँख जो खोले तो ढाए कहर तो बोलो हर 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 तो बोलो हर 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 आदि ना अंत है उसका वो सबका ना इनका उनका वही है माला वही है मन का मस्त मलंग वो अपनी धुन का अंतर मंत्र अंतर ज्ञानी है सर्वज्ञ स्वाभिमानी जिनके है महाविनाशी ओंकार है इसी की वाणी इसी की वाणी इसी की वाणी भांग धतूरा बेल का पत्ता तीनों लोग इसी की सत्ता विश्व भी अडिग अमर है महादेव हर हर है जपता वही शून्य है वही इकाई वही शून्य है वही इकाई वही शून्य है वही इकाई जिसके भीतर बसा शिवा
से छिपा कहा सृष्टि का कोई रहस्य पार्वती के रूप में उनको दिखा सती का सत्य हर्षाता इस धरा गगन का एक एक कण कण है महादेव का पार्वती से होने वाला मिलन है
लट उलझे सुलझा जा बालम लट उलझे सुलझा जा बालम लट उलझे सुलझा बालम लट उलझे सुलझा जा बालम माथे की बिंदिया
स्वामी की अनुपस्थिति में हम इस विघ्न विनाशक शुभकारी और मंगलकारी पुत्र को जन्म देने का निर्णय ले रहे हैं
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा गणपतये गणपतये नमः
हरता है बप्पा विघ्न हरता लगते रहे माथे के जिसके भी निखरता कर्म की कसौटी पे है खरा उतरता इसीलिए तो सबसे पहले बोले बप्पा मोरे सृष्टि को चलाता है सन्मति का दाता है भाग्य का विधाता है बप्पा रे बप्पा रे बप्पा रे
my drink. That's right. Pop that, pop that. Pop that, pop that. Pop that, pop that. Pop that, pop that.
Tell me right now who else got a
ख्वाब से बेहिसाब से आते हैं क्यों मुझे गम दिल जले लग के गले रुलाते हैं मुझे रुलाते क्यों मुझे
नैना दा कहना नी असी तेरा मुखड़ा देखते रहना नी ते मेरी है ना इश्क दे इधर दे रू तो लेना नी नैना दा कहना नी असी तेरा मुखड़ा देखते रहना नी ते मेरी है ना इश्क दे इधर दे रू तो लेना नी
Freaky, freaky, yeah. My freaky, freaky, yeah.
Ravel langavude raperiki rave rave ra ni patale tiavude ti pidikarave ave machata moracha achata koracha ichata maracha pichu ilama machame nuvaya achame nedaya ichame nenaya pichu emaya va nu kavalaya nu kavali nu kavalaya nu kavali
Oramina, ninu kosukuntai
నాగమంజరి మాయమ్మ పేరు తలవనోళ్ళు లేరు మేస్తిరి కళాకారుల ఫ్యామిలీ మరి నే గజ్జ కడితే నిద్రపోదు నిండు రాత్రి
సోకులాడి స్వప్న సుందరి నీ మడత చూపు మా పటేల మల్లె పందిరి రచ్చరాజ గుండె ఊపిరి నీ పంక చూస్తే గుండెలోన డీరి డిరిడిరి తూనీగా నడుములోన తూటాలెట్టి తూపాకి పెంచినావే తింగరి చిట్టి మగ జాతి నట్ట మడత పెట్టి
ఆ కుర్చీని మడత పెట్టి.
Thank you, ma'am, for your wonderful performance. Now I request Megha from second year MBA to deliver the vote of thanks.
Feeling gratitude and not expressing it is like wrapping a present and not giving it. I take this privilege to propose the vote of thanks for today's event. Firstly, I would like to thank our guest, Ms. Pratiksha Kotian, for accepting our invitation and being here with us today. Thank you, ma'am, for judging and participating with your knowledge. I would like to thank Mr. Sanju VM for accepting our invitation and being with us today. Thank you, sir. I would like to thank our faculty coordinator for being with us today. Thank you, ma'am. I also like to thank our teaching and non-teaching staff for your support. I would like to thank today's participant who made this event successful. Thank you. Last but not least, I thank my friends for being a wonderful guidance. Thank you all.
of future finance and commerce professionals. In addition to his academic endeavors, Professor Manoj serves as the General Secretary of the Federation of Teachers Councils of Commerce and Management in Karnataka, advocating for the advancement of commerce and management educations across the state. On behalf of MSNIM, I extend a warm welcome to you, sir. Next, it's my honor to introduce Professor Girish Madla, a highly respected figure in the field of education and skill development. Professor Madla's career spans numerous institutions and his work continues to influence and shape the future of students and professionals alike. Professor Madla's distinguished careers includes serving as a former principal of Trisha College, Mangalore, and as an associate professor at Sahyadri College of Engineering and Management, Mangalore. His leadership in training students in various skill areas has played a pivotal role in preparing them for successful careers. He also served as an assistant professor and coordinator of quality enhancement and placement, serves at St. Aloysius Institute of Management and Information Technology, Mangalore. Sir, I thank you for being with us today. We are excited to hear your valuable perspectives. I would also like to extend a warm welcome to all the participants for this round. Additionally, I would like to extend a warm welcome to all the students and staffs from various colleges who have joined with us today. A hearty welcome to you all. Now, let's begin round 6 of the Best Manager, that is Stress Management round. Judges, please note the time limit for each participant is 10 minutes. Now I call first participant Kashi.
Yes, can you please introduce yourself? I thought when you move on stage, you would wish everyone good afternoon or good morning, whatever.
Yes, sir. But I need to ask the permission to speak in the mic, right, with you. Yes.
So you to wish good
A
morning.
very good afternoon to everyone, participants and college students and my dear judges. Thank you so much for encouraging me while I came to the stage. My name is Ajay Shetty. I'm from Team Kashi and I'm a participant of Best Manager and I'm in the final round of this era. Thank you so much.
Very interesting. What we saw in the video and what you're saying now is just a repetition. So that means to say that you don't have anything else to speak about yourself.
Not about it, sir. I have so many things to speak about me, myself.
Okay, two things that you would not want to speak right now.
Right now.
Yeah.
Right now, I am very excited and I am very...
No, you are excited, but we are not.
Yes.
So tell us something that you would like to speak right now.
Right now, I would like to just congratulate myself, sir, to making it this far.
Okay, do one thing. You congratulate yourself.
Yeah, I have done, sir. I have done. While coming only, I have done it.
No, we did not see that, so you can do that again.
Again, I need to do again.
Yeah, congratulate yourself.
Well done, Ajay, by coming final round. Wonderful.
That is not at all motivating at all.
Yeah, yeah. Has a same, sir. Like.
So taking your hand and patting your back is congratulating.
No, while thinking, I need to show you, right, that I am congratulating myself. That's why I made this action.
Really?
Otherwise, I could just tell him.
Otherwise, you would just say what?
Ajay, if I tell, congratulations, Ajay, that won't make an effect, right? If I make any actions, that makes an effect. That makes an impact.
No,
Because,
I think
because you are good in acting.
Yeah, sir.
Because that appreciation should be heartfelt.
Yeah.
When I say that, words need not define oneself. You know, you appreciating yourself.
Yes, sir.
So what was missing is energy, which you don't have.
Sir,
you only have voice. That's all. No energy.
I am filled with energy, sir.
Really?
Yes.
All right. Very good. We will check. What is your area? You mentioned you are Ajay Shetty.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What are your areas of interest?
My areas of interest is acting.
Not is, are. We are talking more
acting,
than one.
Video creation, video editing, VFX, etc.
That is your interest.
Yes.
Did you notice the background that you had when you were doing that video?
Yes, sir. When I was shooting the video, the whole area was crowded and so many classes were going on, events were going on.
Did you see the kind of wall that was there in the background?
Yeah. Sure, sir. I have seen it. Every other participants were occupied with their selves places. That's why I choose some isolated places up on terrace and down near canteen.
No, I'm talking the first part of the video.
Yes, sir.
The wall was so much disfigured there and you are there right in front of it and talking it. I remember the COVID video where people were hanging their clothes in the background.
Sir. Let's see it in a positive way, sir.
I don't look it in a positive or negative. I look it as it is.
Okay, sir. Let's see in a positive way. I went to terrace, the highest spot of this college. That means I always think at the top.
You think at the top.
I am in the top, sir.
We see what is visible to us.
Yeah, I have told you, sir. There was sky also. There was sky also in the background. Yes or no, sir?
There was?
Sky in the background.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought you were covering the entire portion there.
No, not at all, sir. There was a sky in the background also.
Okay, fine. Yes, next. So congratulated yourself. Which is the next thing that you want to do?
Next thing, I would like to answer your questions, sir. I would like to entertain people.
Okay, you would like to answer my question. Tell me exactly there are how many crows in this world? CROWS.
Crows. Exactly.
Yeah, cow. How
sir,
many
right now also crows are being born, sir. So how can I tell you the exact number?
You tell it right now, man. Don't worry. Exclude those who are taking birth from this point onwards. What's the number?
Maybe in billion. See, one is here itself, sir.
No, he took birth just now.
Yeah, so add 1 plus 1, sir. That's it. Again.
So 1 billion you are saying?
Maybe more than that, sir. More than that.
You give me a number. That's what I told you, na? 1 billion you say, then you say
sir,
more than that.
Sir, has the thing. Crow is not a distinguished animal. It is locality animal. So a perfect number, how can I say, sir, without knowing it?
We are not here to listen to, your essay on crow. I asked a simple question, number of crows, that's all.
Sir, that
You
is...
know, don't know, simple.
I don't know, sir.
Okay,
I don't know
wonderful.
the perfect number of the
Let's
crows.
move ahead.
No, since you were interested to answer questions, that is where sir was asking you.
About the entertaining part, sir.
You said the question part, I asked you question,
Yes.
you don't have answer.
You don't have answer. About entertaining part, we will check
Sure, sir.
at a later stage.
Sure, sir.
Right? But you said there was beautiful sky in the background,
Yes,
but
sir.
there were also thorns in the background. Did you check that in the
Yeah.
video?
Sir,
With that thorns, what is the name of the flower that you had in the background, second portion of the video?
I think
Don't think, tell us exactly.
blossoms.
Blossom.
Blossoms.
That is the name of the flower.
Yeah, blossoms.
Kallunda kallu. Blossoms. Again you say you don't know.
Again, sir, that flowers only I said, right?
So name of the flower is blossoms.
Maybe.
Maybe. Again, no answer.
Yes, sir, that only.
You know or don't know?
I said, right.
think
What I know, I told, sir. I know.
So in the examination, what you know, you write.
Yes, sir. Everyone do that. That is self, right? How much they know, they write.
I write what the answer is, not what I know.
Sir, when I have a doubt in the answer, I read what I know, right, sir?
Okay. I think we'll move ahead. Your English seems to be very good.
Who's mine?
Yeah. You have a doubt?
No.
So no questions.
It's okay, sir. It's
If you have a doubt, no questions on English.
My English is okay, understandable.
Spell okay.
Okay.
A-Y. That
No.
also you don't know.
Okay. A-K-A-Y. Okay-A-Y. Okay-A-Y.
Now I doubt on the organizers how we reach final round. And he is congratulating himself.
No, he wrote
What is the
he
spelling of okay?
Okay-A-Y.
Just now he said A-K-A-Y.
No. Okay. Okay-A-Y.
You told AKAY.
Not at all, sir.
No.
Okay-A-Y.
We are wrong. He is right.
He told what he knows.
Yes, correct.
Not at all, sir. I said this.
So, okay, fine. Let's move ahead.
Yes.
Are you watching IPL?
Yes, sir. I watch IPL.
Which is your favorite team?
RCB, sir.
RCB. So you slept last night?
Yeah. I did a reel on it when RCB
No,
lost.
after watching the match, did you sleep, man, last night?
Yeah, sir.
You slept?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me, how much did Virat Kohli score?
Virat Kohli has secured...
What secured? Secured in the... ಅವನೇನು Olympics ಅಲ್ಲಿ gold medal secure ಮಾಡಿದ.
Around 9 runs, I think.
What 9 runs? What nonsense? Scored 6 runs.
No, sir.
He scored 6 runs in 7 balls. Check.
Yes, sir.
I am not an RCB fan, I am telling you.
As a RCB fan, I always mention, did RCB win or lose? That's it. That's the point. I won't see what person scored how much.
Then why did you answer? You should have said thing beforehand.
I have told, sir. What you asked, I have said. Did you watch IPL? Yes. Which team? RCB.
Then after that, I asked you the question, how much did Virat Kohli score? Okay, focus. See, blossom flower has come. Blossom flower.
This is not blossom, sir.
I think we need to name 3 of them called wholesome. Yes, Mr. Shetty, what else is your specialization? Area that you feel you're comfortable, we can ask questions.
About content creation, sir.
Huh?
Content creation. Content creation.
Content creation.
Yes.
Okay.
What? Can you repeat once again what you said?
Yes, that is self, sir.
What?
Content creations.
Content creation. Luckily, I did not ask questions on English because it's not content, it's content.
So now you can entertain yourself.
Okay, you are very good at content creation, wonderful. So I think you have 20 seconds to create a wonderful reel. Imagine someone is recording, you do what you want.
Can I have that music, please?
No music.
Video has started?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Your time is up. Sit. So one thing that I could make out from limited interaction, you cannot think on your feet. You take a lot of time.
Not at all, sir. I told to play a song. Then you said to stop it. Then I thought I would do something. That time you told me to stop.
And you did nothing. That's what
No,
I'm
no,
telling
no. I was about to do, sir. You told me to sit.
you. What were you about to do?
I was about to do a action.
Action.
No, just movements.
So you always want someone to say action.
No, 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 not at all, not at all. I told I was able to do action, a movement of a body where I can create a funny reel.
Okay,
Movement of a body, of
Yes.
your body.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. Let us
Yeah,
check
you have 2
what
seconds
movement
again, quick.
can you do with your body.
This is a total content of a funny reel content, sir. That's it. Maybe, maybe.
No, there was no smile on your face at all. I thought that was a serious
Sir, there is
action.
a song, there is a background song in my head playing. That's why it's just the avatar. That is a key point of the content where it goes viral, sir.
What are your, sit, apart from content creation, one more area that we can ask you questions on. You take this much of time. I think thinking is your best area, I believe.
Maybe, sir. About you can ask me questions about best manager itself, sir.
About best manager.
Yeah.
So, sir, some expansion of CEO.
No, not like that, sir. Related on this. Related on what?
Okay, related to this.
Related to right now situation.
Right now situation. You are here in this campus since yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me how many steps brings you to this auditorium from the ground floor, from the entrance to this place? How much steps do you think you walk?
This is the third floor, fourth. This is the.
You doing a karkondo hogi mare on the round.
Sir, I think
this is in which floor?
Don't think.
This
you
is the
tell-
second floor, sir.
Don't think. Tell us clearly.
This is the
whether
second
it is
floor.
Second or
Sir,
third.
about
Or
this
first floor.
Sir, about the steps, I didn't use steps, sir. I came in elevator itself.
Okay.
Oh.
Lift. Yeah.
But
So-
your thoughts are little ground level only, not elevated.
Even though you came in elevator, you don't know whether it is second or third or fourth.
Not like that, sir. There was someone who always took me.
Someone was
With me,
operating
with
you.
me. My friend was there always.
So he was operating you.
Yeah, no, he was operating the lift, not me.
Okay, wonderful. Totally, this building has how many floors, which you saw in the lift?
After two itself, sir. Afterwards, terrace will come.
Only 2. I am asking students. 3.
3 up, sir. Again 1.
3 is always up only,
Yeah,
cannot
yeah.
be down.
That's it,
below
I
2.
said right. Top floor.
I think talking to you, my English is going haywire here now. So you don't know how many floors on this.
There are 3 floors in
3
this
floors,
building,
terrace excluding.
including -1, 2, including ground.
Terrace is within 3 or excluding?
Excluded it, sir.
Excluding.
Excluded.
One is within 3.
What is -1 floor called?
Parking area, parking lots. In the most of the building, it's parking lots, sir. -1. Basements.
Okay. You are appointed as a CEO. These are your employees. Okay. And today is your annual day. Today is not your annual day, man. Your organization's
Okay,
annual
yes,
day.
sir.
You are the CEO of the company. Okay. Give them an exciting speech and say, enjoy this evening. That should be the last point.
How many seconds I have in my hand?
You were honored with the shawl. Why did you remove it?
Because I want to tell that everyone in this company, from the start till the end, we are all equal. We will work hard together. We will sacrifice our precious time for this company and make our next anniversary more grand than this. Enjoy this time with me. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
So what do you feel? You said we are all equal, so they all came next to MD's chair.
It's all right, sir. Today, anniversary. Tomorrow again I will be that strict manager.
Tomorrow
sir.
you will be strict. Today you are very lenient.
Today, okay, sir. At the enjoy moment, we should be enjoyful, right?
Correct.
If
So
I be strict-
thank you, Mr. Shetty. Nice
Yes, sir.
talking.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
तू दाढ़ी पे जो हाथ फेरे आसमां से 2 गुना ऊंचा तेरा कद है इतनी गहराई तेरी सागर की क्या हद है
First and foremost, good afternoon to the respected judges, dignitaries present here, as well as the fellow audience today. My name is Fahaz Ahmed, and my team code is Ishwake.
Do we say fellow audience or fellow participants?
Well, we can say the fellow participants as well as fellow audience.
You can say. You already said that. So fellow audience or fellow participants?
I think both can be applied.
Yeah, correct. You applied only one. Sit.
May I sit? Thank you, sir.
I don't think we
I think I
agree.
said something.
Sir, you told me to sit.
Yeah, then why are you asking again?
Just taking the permission, sir.
And now I feel sorry. I told him to cut down the echo. My echo, I think second voice would have told you, sit. That would have been wonderful.
I heard you very well the first time.
Okay, very good. Tell us something. Who are you? Tell us something about yourself. We don't know you. We saw a beautiful video.
Yes.
And we saw your patience as well, which you don't have.
I would disagree with that. I do have patience, sir.
Feel free to disagree with whatever we say today.
Sure.
Yeah. Please.
So, what I would tell you about myself is that I'm an ambitious person.
What's your name?
Fahaz Ahmed.
Fahaz Ahmed. Okay.
Yes. I'm an ambitious person. My hobbies include powerlifting and going to the gym, getting fitness knowledge and all. Yes, sir.
So getting fitness knowledge, going to the gym, powerlifting is your hobby.
Yes, it is.
Anything else?
I like to read books in my free time.
Free time. And
yes.
when do you have free time in your 24 hours?
Sir, it's usually in the night time.
What time of the night?
After 8. After 8 to 10 p.m. usually.
After 8 you are free?
Yes, sir. Because my college will end at almost around at 4 o'clock. After that, I go to the gym. And I have to travel as well. So 1.5 hour travel is there every day.
Okay.
After that, I do my dinner and then I'm free.
Really? When do you take bath?
In the morning.
Going to gym in the evening, you have your dinner and then
My
you take
first
bath
bath is in the morning when I'm getting ready for the college. Then I come back home and then I take my another bath after the gym.
Okay.
I bath twice every day, sir.
So you waste a lot of water then?
So I have to keep my hygiene.
Okay. So you have to keep your hygiene, so you take bath twice.
Yes.
All right. Mr. Fawaz Ahmed, anything else that you feel we need to question you on? You are very confident about it.
Sir, to be honest, I would
don't be honest.
I would be comfortable.
Don't be honest.
In whichever topic you would question me, I would be
Really?
comfortable. Yes. Even if I don't know the answer, I will definitely try to answer it.
Okay, then tell me
At my
who accompanied Sunita Williams?
Oh, I do not know, sir. I
Don't
do not know. No.
Just now you said that you will answer whatever we ask.
I said I will try my best to answer. If I don't know.
This is your trying your best.
Even if you don't know, you said you will try to answer.
Yes, but if I don't have the factual knowledge about it, then I cannot
You can
answer
try
it.
to answer.
Okay, let's put it this way. Tell us
Yes.
something, about some area where you have factual knowledge so that we can question it.
My factual knowledge in some areas. I would definitely say management fests because I have been going for a lot of fests this year. So yeah, you can question me on that.
What should we question? What did you eat in the last fest?
What did I eat in the last
Yeah.
fest? I had rice and sambar, sir.
Really?
Yes.
That's all. Rice and sambar was given, nothing else.
Yeah, the main thing was rice and sambar, then pickle was there. papada
Okay.
was there.
Since you said about fest, how many fests you attended in the last, say, month of March? Let's assume.
In the month of March. First fest I went was Nitte, then one in Aloysius. Am I allowed to say the college's name?
Yeah.
One in Nitte, one in Aloysius, then one in Bangalore as well.
What did Aloysius feed you?
In Aloysius, I went for HR, sir.
What did they give you to eat, man?
To eat. Oh, the food there was very nice, I must say.
No, but you were
They gave
fasting, right,
palav.
in the month of March?
Sir, I will stand. I did not say that I ate. You asked me the food, what what was served there. I just told you what was served there. Nice.
He went on to explain about food. Now he's saying he did not eat. I think your patience is gone now.
No, sir. Patience is always there.
Patience is there.
Yes.
So you went there and checked what all is being served, but you were fasting.
I didn't check that, sir. It was right in front of me. I didn't need to go there.
The caterer were carrying food right in front of you.
No, sir. The lunch break was there. I went to the ground floor. They were
But you
serving
said
right in
it was
front of
tasty.
me.
Yeah.
Sorry?
You said it was
No,
tasty.
he looked at people's faces who were eating. Right?
No.
You said it was tasty.
I had never said it was tasty.
Oh my God, now video record ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ sir, play ಮಾಡಿ sir, ವಾಪಸ್.
Oh, all right, sir. One thing I forgot was, sir. No, I would like to make one correction. Actually, Aloysius, I went in February.
See, now I have to give you comparison. Anyone who changes the plate is called chameleon. You are worse than that, man.
Sir, actually, I didn't quite catch the question. I'm sorry for that. The fest that I mentioned, I went there in February.
Without knowing the question, you answer.
I couldn't hear you quite clearly.
My God.
Oh, and the mic is not proper.
Next year cancel. Mike Sarilla. So I was not audible, you're saying?
No, you were audible, sir. Those questions that you
not
asked
hear
me,
properly.
I couldn't hear that properly. Could we maybe get to some other
No,
question?
don't get excited. Go and sit.
Yeah, sure, sir. Can I fix that chair?
No, I said sit on the chair. I don't know how you sit on the chair. Deraye durustaye, we say. Yes. Which other languages do you speak apart from English?
Hindi, Kannada. I'm not so fluent in Kannada though because I studied in Delhi.
Okay.
And my mother tongue is Bari.
Very good. So Hindi you are fluent?
Yes.
Okay, tell me all the letters of Hindi, like A to Z as in Hindi.
Ka, kha, ga, gha.
They start with A, man.
Sir, that is one mala. What? That won't be the letter, sir. That would be one mala.
Letters of Hindi begins with A only.
A, I, U, Da, Tha.
No, this is real pain. Someone provide him Iodex.
So the letters sound like that. I can't help that.
Repeat that again. A,
I, U, Da, Da.
मारो रे इसको.
Is it that, in your video you were saying you are like Karna? Is it that like Karna you studied sitting outside the class?
Sir,
that's why you don't remember the letters?
No, I think he will.
Alphabets I studied in my UKG and
he will
UKG,
feel offended.
So
he was an outstanding student.
Outstanding, yes.
No. I studied in UKG, so I forgot that.
What?
I forgot the alphabets of Hindi, sir. I studied it in UKG.
Okay, say A to Z then.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Okay, now don't clap for this. Say Z to A.
Sorry, sir?
वो बाद में करेगा.
Yeah, sure. So you ask
Say
me
Z
something.
to A.
Z to A. Sir, I don't think if I do my attempt, I won't be right. Do you still want me to try?
Every fool knows he or she cannot touch the stars. But it shouldn't stop a wise man from trying. That's
Definitely.
a beautiful saying.
That's a great quote, sir.
Yeah, I know. I did not say that. Someone else said. You start. I just repeated what someone said.
W. Sir, I don't think I can go on with that. I'll definitely make some mistake.
So you are worried about making mistakes?
Not really. But when I know that the failure is imminent, then why should I try? If the chance of my success is 0%.
Okay, I give you 45 seconds to recite Z to A with mistakes. No problem. Within 45 seconds, you have to do it.
Z, Y, X, W, Q, R, P, S, T, Y, X, Y.
Start again.
N,
There is something called V and U in between. After W.
Z, Y, X, W, V, N, P, M, Q, R, O, M, N, G, H, E, D, C, B, A. I know I made multiple mistakes, sir, but you told me to try, so I tried.
You are pathetic, man.
Sir, you can tell anyone to recite the alphabets in the reverse
Why
order.
anyone? I will do it.
No, they will. they will definitely make
Why
mistakes.
anyone else? I will do it. Z, Y, X, W, V, U, T, S, R, Q, P, N, M, L, K, J, F, E, D, C, B, A.
Wow. Impressive, sir. Impressive.
What is the big deal in that?
Impressive, sir. I am unable to do that, sir. So I am ready to accept that I am unable to do that.
You practice.
Definitely
Go to
practice,
typing class. You will learn automatically. Okay. What's the difference between English question? Is that okay?
Sure. Definitely.
You will try your best not to answer.
I'll try my best to answer, sir. You please ask me the question.
Okay. What's the difference between a thief, a robber, and a burglar?
Thief, robber, and burglar. I would say those are synonyms for
You tell me the meaning, man.
any
Difference,
person who steals.
difference.
Any person who steals. Burglar could be a person who is stealing from a shop. A thief could be a person who is stealing from a house. A robber could be a person who has robbed a bank.
So if I rob a person, I'm not a robber. I'm a thief.
No, you are both, sir, because I told the answer according to my understanding.
Which is wrong.
Sorry? Which is wrong.
Yeah, you have to feel sorry.
Yeah.
Because it is wrong.
It could be. But you told me to give an attempt, I gave the attempt.
Oh, wonderful. So I think for you, the next questions paper heading should be try answering all the questions.
Sir, in business, we follow a trial and error.
Oh my God,
method.
business. So I think we need to question you on business then.
So business you follow trial and error. And if you fail, you'll not try.
No, not at all. If you fail, you try again, you come back stronger, you improve yourself. You improve the team.
You
to
said
get better
earlier,
results.
You said earlier,
Yes.
if you feel like you're failing, you will never try.
Sir, if the chances of my success is 0%, it's like saying, I will jump from a 10th floor building, but I have a hope of surviving. No, I will
Why
die.
do you always say my chances are 0% for anything that you can try, don't try, say 0?
Sir, if you give me a question that I'm not comfortable with or I'm not familiar with.
That's what we began with.
Yes.
2 areas that you're comfortable in so that we can ask questions.
Yes, sir. Like I said, you didn't ask me any questions about powerlifting or gym.
Okay. Powerlifting or gym, we need to ask questions on that.
If you want to, sir, definitely, I will definitely answer that.
Do you have a membership of gym?
Yes.
How much do you pay?
Sir, I have a yearly membership, so I'm paying around 8,000 for 1 year as a student offer.
8,000 for 1 year?
Yes.
And where is this gym situated?
It's in Kulshekara.
It's in Kulshekar. What's the name of the gym?
Icon.
What's the owner's name?
I don't know the owner's name, sir. I just go there to work out.
You don't know the owner's name?
No, I just go there to work out, lift the dumbbells, come back, and have peace of mind.
You carry some stones at home, man. That would be better.
No, sir.
That also has weight, right?
Then, sir, laborers should have a six-pack.
Okay. Then you have to tell me this. Since you carry a lot of lift, which is heavier? 1 kilogram of gold or 1,000 grams of cotton?
Same weight.
What same weight?
Same weight. 1 kilogram of gold is 1,000 grams of gold, and 1,000 grams of cotton is 1 kilogram of cotton. Since both are 1 kilogram, the weight is same.
Okay, wonderful. Very nice answer.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, how many kilograms is 1 liter?
Sir, there is not any measure to give the right unit for that answer.
Pathetic answer. 900 grams is 1 liter for your information.
Then I didn't know about that then.
You don't know, that's what we are saying. You don't know a lot of things apart from only picking weights. Lifting weights.
Sir, the questions you asked me, I was unfamiliar with that. So I did try to give the
So do
answer.
you think in your life you will be served with only familiar questions?
Not at all. Not at all.
Did you come prepared that all that I am going to say, people are going to ask me only from that?
Sir, to be honest.
So how do you qualify to be the best CEO or best manager in this event?
Because I'm ready to learn. Because I'm ready to learn whenever.
Next fest,
for whatever things.
which you enjoy going, sambar and rice will be served. Not this fest. According to me. I don't know about sir.
Let's see,
sir.
sir.
Any
It
other?
might be biryani
Okay.
also.
Some questions on business from
business.
sir.
Sure, sir.
What is the difference between sector and industry? Basic question.
Sir, industry lies in different sectors. There are different sectors of businesses, and industry is one of them.
Give one example.
One example. So there are different sectors of business, like you can say production or textile production, as well as automobile manufacturing. So automobile manufacturing
I
has
asked
an industry.
what is a sector.
Yes.
I asked what is the industry.
Yes.
Don't tell me there are several sectors.
Yeah. So
One
I
one
do not
example
know
of
the exact definition. I would tell you that.
Forget definition, man. One example of a sector, one example of an industry.
Textile industry. And sector would be production sector.
Then what is operations?
Operations would also come under sector as well.
So production is sector.
So doctors do operation in sectors.
No, not that operation, sir.
Not that
Logistics operation. Operation is logistics operation.
Wonderful. So one last question from my side.
Definitely,
in
sir.
English
Fire
language,
ahead.
one word has multiple meanings. What is that called?
One word has multiple meanings. What is that called, you asked? Yeah, definitely. Isa like namde. But sir, the answer to your question, I am not aware about that. And I don't want to give a try and...
No. When you don't know, you cannot give. Forget.
Yeah, true.
Okay. So from my side, I rest my case. Sir.
Thank you.
Any further questions? No?
No, you don't. You may not have answers for that as well. Thank you.
രക്ഷകനെ സംഹാരകനെ ഞങ്ങൾ കണ്ണനായി വന്നവനെ ഭയമേ മാറിപ്പോ നീ അണ്ണൻ വന്ന തുമ്പിട്ട് നെല്ല് ഇരുട്ടിൽ സിറ്റി വാഴും രാജാവുക്ക് എല്ലാരും സുല്ല് ഇവനെ തൊഴുവാനായും ജനത്തിരക്ക് കാലം എടുത്തു വച്ചാൽ സ്വർഗം പോലും നഷ്ടപ്പെട് അണ്ണൻ തനി നാടൻ കൊലമല്ല
Good afternoon, panel. Good afternoon, audience. Myself, Abhiram Salian, and I'm very excited to be in the finals of Best Manager. Panel, may I have my seat?
It looked like you were irritated to come to the stage.
No, sir, not at all. It's just a routine.
The
just
excitement
Best
was
Manager
not
routine. I'm used to it.
There is something on your right hand. Arm, yeah, down.
Sorry.
Extra fittings.
Okay, fine. OP मुझे नहीं छोड़ता है, sir.
No, this is how you keep your home. Huh? You find anything, you just put it on the floor.
No, sir, I can lift it up now.
Do that.
Okay, fine.
You need to keep the place clean. You are not in your bedroom, man. Put it in your pocket.
Okay, I'm really sorry, sir. Okay, fine. Yes, sir.
This seems like a zoo. Some cats and dogs have started making noise.
Sir, audience reaction हम क्या कर सकते हैं? हम तो आके entertain करना है बस.
Okay, sir, tell us something about yourself.
Myself Abhiram Salian and Namaskara Mangaluru. So I'm beatboxer and an entertainer. I'm a vocalist as well, and I do voiceovers for many pages in Mangalore, and I'm a professional host. So this is my short introduction, and I'm doing my final year MBA in Srinivasa Institute of Technology. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for listening to him.
Yeah, thank you so much for listening. Yeah.
Don't you think using too much of thank you in your speech actually spoils your presentation?
I don't think so, sir.
People
because
think that
yes,
saying thank you every time is being polite. Good
sir,
evening, ladies and gentlemen. Kindly take your seats. Thank you very much.
No, sir. According to me,
You know,
okay, fine.
You are a host, so I'm telling you. This is more of a cliche. No one likes when you repeat words. When you take your seat, okay, done. That's all.
Since you're an entertainer, same thing, introduce yourself very creatively.
Okay.
No using the word thank you very much anytime.
Fine. Namaskara Mangaluru. As I said, I'm a beatboxer, so I'm going to introduce myself with a beatboxing touch, okay? I am Sage. My name is Dado. What's my name? Abhiram Salian.
Wonderful.
Yes, sir.
So you introduced yourself. We did not understand what you said.
We just heard the beats.
They're telling you to sit. Why don't you sit, man?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
For your talent, they would like to felicitate you.
Sir? Thank you so much.
Are you okay?
Yeah, sir. I'm fine. Abhimanyu sir. Kuch nahi
Okay.
kar sakte.
Yeah. Abhiman.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Correct. Never keep those things down, which are.
Sorry, sir.
Yeah. And where will you sit on that?
Fine, sir.
No, you sit, man.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay, look at what is that in your hand? The left hand.
It's a shawl.
Yeah, that purple color. If I'm not.
It's a mug.
A mug.
Yeah.
Look into the mug and tell me how much of ml of liquid can it hold?
I can't. No, I can't give an exact number, but I think it's like 500, 600 ml.
500, 600 ml.
Ml. I think so.
What is ml?
Milliliter.
Wonderful. Sure, right?
Yes, sir.
ml is milliliter.
Yes.
So you are a MBA student, you mentioned. Obviously,
Yes, sir.
only MBA students can come for this program, right?
No, sir, not really, not exactly. If you're good at communication and if you're good at logical thinking, you can participate in this.
All can come, even though they are not MBA students.
No, sir. Generally, in other fests, how even engineering people will
Sir,
participate.
we are
in
here.
this.
We are
Sir
talking
is asking about this.
About this college, I'm not sure about that, sir, because all the organizers have kept college names in a secret way. So
Okay,
I don't.
and you said it very openly, thinking that you are going to get the first rank.
No, sir.
You are not supposed to disclose your college
Oh yeah,
institute
sorry,
name. right?
because flow में आ जाता है कुछ.
क्या आ जाता है?
Flow में.
This is not your show.
That is
Flow
why-
में आ जाता है
Yes,
means
sir,
what?
sir.
That is why they gave you the mug also.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Flow में आ जाएगा तो.
So सही जगह पर रखना है.
सही जगह पर रख.
Yeah. Sir, let's talk a little bit about current affairs. I don't think you are very much interested.
Oh yes, sir. I'm not that up to
No,
date.
yes,
to the
sir,
current
I'm not
affairs.
that means what?
Like I don't follow that much current affairs news and also generally art is my passion. So regarding that, I follow up, not regarding current affairs and all.
Current affairs and all, you are not interested.
I'm not. It's not. It's like not interested and all, but I don't
Oh,
do a follow up on
you
that.
don't
sir,
have
regular
time.
follow-up.
You don't have time.
Sir,
You don't have time to follow
I have
current.
time, sir, but I do other works also, and my
What are the
complete
other
focus-
works that you do?
As I said, sir, I do voiceovers, I do hosting, I do performances and all.
So you don't have time.
I do have time, sir, because by doing this, I'm also managing my college also. So
You are managing your college as well. What is the
not
principal
managing
doing
my
there?
college life, I am managing, sir, because academics as well as this also, because it's very difficult to do simultaneously. So
Then give up everything and focus only on college.
no, sir, I can't give up my art like that, sir. It's like वही हमको दे रहा
No,
है.
art will stay with you. Art is not going to not become now. It will remain art only.
Yes, sir.
If you are that much, if you don't have time for yourself, what's the use?
So it's not like that. This is the time period of every people. It's a time to grind. No,
It's a
this is
time
the
to-
age we have to do something to have a better future.
Or to have a better future,
Yes,
you
sir.
need to?
Grind. matlab, we
Grind
have
what?
to hustle, basically.
I think wonderful message to all young people. You have to grind to thrive in life.
So I know it was sarcastic, but I'll
Not,
take it.
not
Thank you so much.
sarcastic, it was a perfect message. I think all teachers would agree. Correct, na?
Yes, sir.
You have to grind yourself, only then you thrive
It's
in
not
life.
grind. It's a slang used for hustling. No, putting efforts.
Sir, I have understood, sir.
Yes, sir.
I said wonderful message that you have given
Okay,
to
okay,
young
sir. Thank you
people,
so much.
people of your age,
Yes,
your
sir.
contemporaries.
Yes, sir.
That is what. I'm praising you and you feel that I have not understood and I'm saying something else.
It's fine, sir.
That's fine if I don't understand.
No, sir. Any compliment from your side is, truly a good.
Compliments only in words, not in marks.
Yes,
Don't
sir.
worry.
It's fine, sir. I'll take
Okay.
it everything. Yeah.
So anyways, so apart from your art, you don't have, then you have to manage your college as well.
Okay.
If we ask questions on any of the subjects, he may not have answers.
No answers. Not interested.
I can try, sir.
He can try.
Yes.
That is what you do in the exam also.
No, sir. Examination, I study. That's the reason I have no backlogs in my subjects.
So those who don't have backlogs are wonderful students.
I'm not telling that, sir, because people who are backlogs, people who are dropouts also, they're doing something in the society.
Wonderful.
They're contributing more than us. No,
So everyone should drop out is your conclusion.
that is not my message. Clearly, that's not my message, sir. Because I'm giving just an example. No, study is not everything. There are other fields that you have to put in interest.
Very good. Studies are not everything.
Yes, sir. That is my perspective.
Yeah. Your policy.
Yes, sir. Point of
Very
view.
nice. Okay. And if you know, you become the CEO of a company and the employees, you feel working alone is not important. You have to do a lot of other things.
Yes, sir. Generally, what attracts employees are work environment of an organization. If your work environment is very friendly and flexible, generally employees' retention rate will be high.
Okay.
So if I am a CEO of a company, I'll make sure that my work
Okay, let's
environment
see. We are placement officers is a top-notch multinational. Let's assume.
Okay.
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 And we have a position to be filled.
Okay.
And we believe you are the right person.
Okay.
So now you have to pitch us. How much do you think we need to pay?
Okay. As a fresher or an experienced?
I
As
don't know. You talk for yourself.
Okay, fine. Can I get position? Which position I'm?
Okay, which position do we give him, sir? Okay, HR manager?
Fine, sir.
Okay, HR manager.
Okay, but I don't think so. As a fresher, you will give me that post
As an
directly
HR manager, you are,
I will be very comfortable if you give me an HR executive in the first base. Okay, because directly getting placed as an HR manager is very complicated me because I'm a fresher and there are many things that I have to learn in an organization. So my ask will be 25 to 30 in the initial period for an HR executive if you want to hire me.
No, this is wonderful. We are offering HR manager post. He says HR executive.
Sir, we have to see the future also, sir. Because now if you give me
future,
HR, if
your
I do
future
something,
or company's future? What are you worried
both,
about?
sir. See, sir, if you're hiring me as an entire person, not my skill set. So if I join an organization, I have to see both interest also. I have to grow along with an organization.
That means you feel incapable of being or getting into a top position.
Not at all, sir. If I feel incapable, I would have not been here, sir. I would have not been here and sitting talking to you, sir. Yes, sir.
Why are you scared of the HR manager post then?
Sir, I'm not scared of.
Okay, what does an HR manager do?
He regulates all the employees in the organization. For example, pay scales, their roles, responsibilities, and hiring people, talent acquisition.
So can I take it that way that you are not ready for that responsibility?
Sir, I'm not telling them I'm not ready for that responsibilities because there is certain criteria if you want to become an HR manager in the organization. Currently, I'm not a perfect candidate for that HR manager post.
Why?
But I will be.
Why?
Because I'm a fresher, sir. Experience matters the most. In an organization, experience matters the most.
Okay, wonderful. So when you get married, what are your thoughts?
Sorry?
When you get married,
Sir?
when you get married,
Yes.
would you put a board telling your wife, I'm a fresher?
Sir, that's natural, sir. That's
I am asking for clarification.
Okay, sir. For that we are not. No, don't. For that there is no education sector. No, after marriage you have to join a course. You have to study. That for getting an HR post, you have to go through certain policies, certain education structure.
I don't think you need that. If you are capable,
yes, sir.
Your position
but
is.
I believe I am capable. But within a time
You don't
frame,
believe that you are capable because you don't want a higher position. That's what you said just now.
Sir, I want to start in a base. I want to understand the organization very well. So getting into higher position directly, I'll be having many responsibilities in my
I think
head.
what I have got from your thought is
Yes,
you
sir.
feel that you are not capable.
No,
That's
sir,
what
not
I
at
feel.
all.
I don't know about what
Not
sir
at all,
thinks.
sir. I'll not agree on this, sir. I am capable. That's the reason I'm sitting here and
When
talking
someone
to
is
you.
offering
Yes,
a HR manager post and you say HR executive, I think you are incapable. That's what you feel and that's the idea
sir,
that I get.
sir, if I had prior experience on this role, I would happily get into this role, sir. HR manager. And HR manager is a very tough position. Yes, people say being HR is easy. They'll come, they'll hire. No. It's not like that. Dealing with humans, dealing with social animals, it's very difficult job.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Well, let's imagine you are an HR manager.
Okay.
These are all your employees.
Okay.
You can address them. A very motivational speech to all of them.
Okay, fine.
No, not fine. Do it.
Okay. Okay. Hello, my friends. I'm the HR manager of the organization, and I want you to give everything, what you have to this organization, because at the end of the day, not only the organization grows, you as the employees of that organization will grow along with this. And this is my word, mark that. Thank you so much. Can I?
And many of the employees who did not understand you are clapping for you.
Sir.
Or your college mates. Fine.
I can
So
use
one
a
more
different
thing,
language.
that I've got to know. We made a mistake by giving you HR manager post. Because you are not able to motivate your fellow employees. That's what we felt.
Yes, but sir, there are certain people require certain kind of motivation. So, with one speech, I can't motivate entire crowd. I need hardly that.
With one speech, you cannot motivate everyone.
In
you're saying.
like 10 seconds, hardly if you give me 10 seconds, how can I motivate him?
No, who told you
I
to
can entertain within 10 seconds, but not.
We are here for
sir.
the post of HR manager and CEO, not entertaining manager.
Okay.
Here it is not entertainment.
Yes, sir.
We have seen enough and more entertainment while you went onto the stage.
Yes, sir.
So I think this should be very serious. You're going to entertain your employees?
No, sir.
Then?
Sir, being in the stage, what I have learned from past videos is...
Okay, let's keep it simple. HR manager, an employee comes drunk to the office, what will you do? Sit down.
Sir? Okay.
An employee comes drunk to the office during office hours.
Yes, sir.
What will you do?
First, I will analyze the situation, why he is drunk, because there might be some reasons. You know, boys go through a lot of stuff, heartbreak, breakup, blah, blah, blah. So, yeah, thank you so much. So, I'll analyze, I'll go through the backstory, why he is drunk, and I'll give him a warning, because I can't directly fire him.
I mentioned in the beginning, no more using thank you.
Okay.
Your thank you is a common cliche it's become a cliche now for you.
Okay.
For every time someone scolds you, okay, thank you very much.
No, sir.
Okay, sir, any questions to him?
No, thank you.
I am actually disappointed. Offering higher post, you said you don't want.
So, but I would love to work in your organization. As any part of your organization.
But that
because
doesn't...
I know I am capable of, within a short frame of time, I can get into that post, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Namaste to our esteemed judges and namaste to all the faculty members and namaste to all the participants. My name is Megha, currently pursuing final year BCom, and I'm very excited to stand before you today as a final participant of Best Manager, filled with enthusiasm and energy. And I'm from Team Magadha.
You said you are filled with enthusiasm and energy.
Yes, sir.
In your video, your voice itself was not audible.
It was because of the background voice.
So can't you move to another place where there's silence?
Since sports were going on, because of that, the noise were covering the full area.
Madam, there is a place the other side, there's a building. There's a lot of silence the other side.
I've gone near
you need
the
to walk
canteen.
just 150 meters, that's all.
But time limit, we have to see, right, sir? I didn't have a limited time, so I had to choose a spot, nearby spot.
So you have, can I take it that way, that you have an excuse for underperforming?
No, sir, but I think only here the voice was not much audible. But in mobile, when I used to listen, it was audible, sir.
You used to listen.
Yes, sir. Because they didn't say that they will present on the screen. That's the reason.
So you took it for granted.
No, sir, I didn't take it for granted. But if they have to listen through mobile, then it was audible. That's the reason.
Okay, let's check your audibility. There are people who are talking behind. Can you tell them something that they will remain silent?
They're already silent.
Energy, enthusiasm is what you used.
So they're already silent. Okay, now they made the noise. I request all the participants to please be silent.
Apart from you, there are only 3 participants. Rest are audience.
Okay, I request all the audience to keep silent. Please, it's my request. Request, please. This is not what I was expected. Please, I request everyone to be silent.
They will come back to normalcy, don't worry.
Yes,
what is the difference? What is the difference when you say audience and all the audience? Means what?
I think audience, I think it. Okay, I made a mistake. Not all the audience, just audience. I made a mistake. Sorry, sir. It was a grammatical error. Audience.
Spell grammar.
Sorry, sir.
Spell grammar, grammar.
GRAMMAR.
Wonderful. I think a round of applause. Was the spelling right? Is it M-A-R or M-E-R, grammar?
GRAMMAR. Grammar.
That's what I'm asking. It is double M-A-R or double M-E-R?
AR. A.
Okay, wonderful, wonderful. Grammar, right. What is the difference between stationary and stationary? It's English language, so I cannot help.
Stationary. I think if I take one scale or a pen, it's a stationary.
Okay.
And sorry, sir, I just knew this thing, not anything else. Like stationary is a stationary.
Okay, N-O-R-Y, N-E-R-Y.
So could you repeat, please?
No, I'm just asking for the spelling of stationary. N-O-R-Y or N-E-R-Y.
N-O-R-Y.
You can sit. Make yourself comfortable. Sit, sit. N.
Thank you, sir. N-O-R-Y.
N-O-R-Y.
Then not N-A-R-Y.
N-O-R-Y. As per I remember.
Okay, you remember it correctly. Let's
hope
talk a
so.
little bit about current affairs. Any recent events that you feel you are very much interested to talk about?
So recent event, which means like, is it our intercollegiate fest?
About current affairs.
So more than current affairs, I'm very much interested in the field of marketing.
Wow. You have a mini Philip Kotler next to me.
So what is metaphor marketing?
Sorry, sir?
What is metaphor?
Sorry. Metaphor marketing is sorry.
Since I'm in UG, we never learned about metaphor marketing.
She studied in first semester marketing and she has forgotten now.
No, sir, we didn't had metaphor marketing. I remember.
I am talking about marketing subject.
Okay, sir.
So where is marketing used?
Marketing used in businesses
In
to
market.
promote our products.
So you can market yourself now?
Yes, I can.
Okay.
Yes.
We have HR of Infosys right here.
Yes.
Market yourself. Not by sitting.
I need to market myself like how? As a best
No, you
manager
do one thing.
or...
You market him. If you are not able to market yourself, you
Sir, I
market him.
cannot treat him as a product.
Oh my God.
Why?
Market yourself. Are you a product?
Okay, I need to market myself, but I can market myself as a best manager. But I'm not a product, sir.
Okay, yes.
Okay. My name is Megha, currently pursuing final year BCom. So, I think, sir, just a minute. I think I don't have enough skill to market myself to Infosys HR.
Just now you said you cannot market
you wanted
yourself.
to
You are
market
not a
as a best
product.
manager.
Infosys HR, like I don't have a technical skills to join Infosys.
Correct. But you said you want to market yourself as a best manager.
Yes.
Do that.
For Infosys, we need to be a best manager, something related to IT. But I'm not IT, I'm a management marketing manager.
Madam,
Yes, sir.
what makes up for a business? Can you tell me that? You don't have to hold her. She is already lost her balance.
Sir, could you please repeat the question?
What are the components of a business? What makes a business? Tell me.
Mainly goal, innovation, strategies, and overall vision.
And what do you sell to the people? Goal,
Customer
strategy.
is not required.
Product?
Product.
Yes.
Customer is not required for a business.
Customers are required, but now I cannot point someone as a product. They're not a product, sir.
Okay, from the look of it, I can make out you're not doing BCom. You're just doing BCom. That's all.
I'm a BCom student, sir.
You may get a degree called BCom, but you are doing BCom.
Customers are
Should I prove that
customers
you're
are precious. They are not our products, sir. This is my opinion.
Oh, madam, I'm not talking about product and customers. I'm talking about you.
Even
I know that you are not a product. You
Yes.
told 3 times now.
Yes, sir.
Sir is talking about be calm.
Have you opened a PPF account?
No, sir.
No. Have you opened a DMAT account?
No, sir.
Have you
Yet to
invest-
open.
That way you will get married as well.
No, sir.
No.
When I open DMAT account, I'll not be married.
Okay. Have you started investing in mutual fund?
No, sir.
Then what BCom are you doing?
Right now, I'm pursuing BCom so that I can focus on business. But now,
So you have a bank account?
yes, sir.
PAN card
But I have some awareness regarding this investing in market shares, but I have not practically applied it.
No, you keep it. It will be needed. Little later on.
I will apply it in the future, sir.
When you reach 45, 50 years, you
No,
use
sir.
it.
Within 2 years, I will
Within 2 years.
apply it
Okay,
practically.
give it in writing before you go. Within 2 years, you will do what you said just now on stage. Because you are now almost 20 years. You haven't done anything. 2 years past 18. You haven't done. And you
I
say
think
you'll-
we can, there is no time, age group for investing in market
yeah,
shares.
that is why we said 45, 50 is the best.
But I'm saying that within 2 years, I will do it.
Okay, madam. What are your interests?
My interest is art.
Art.
And again, I said learning more about marketing, then
Learning more about marketing.
and
Okay.
organizing many events. So these are my interests.
What are the events that you have organized? Let's imagine it's Sir's birthday within a week and I appoint you as the event manager. You have 1 week time. Now you have to put forward your idea. How are we going to celebrate Girish Sir's birthday?
Okay, I can give an idea. So first we'll start with hosting a program. I'll select one MC and then orchestra.
Birthday, okay, birthday.
Yeah, for birthday orchestra is fine.
Yeah.
So one orchestra, then we'll have a birthday party. For birthday party, we'll arrange some food treats parties and we'll ask sir to perform, give a best dance performance or a song performance if he is interested. If he is interested.
Next. So DJ done, MC done, food done, Sir's dance performance done. Next.
Then whatever sir is interested, we are going to organize, like customized.
You put forward your ideas na, so that Sir can choose.
For birthday party only so much.
What about the cake?
That's not food parties. It
What
involves
about the
everything.
venue? What about the venue?
Sir, I'm talking about inside the venue.
That means you don't know what an event manager does.
I'm saying, I'm saying, like, inside the venue, how we do it.
She organizes events only.
Did you
after the
ask her a
venue
basic
is
question?
fine.
How many people are coming for your party?
I will ask now, sir.
After
Because
I told you.
I have not completed my ideas. You started
Oh, wow.
talking, sir.
I gave you one. Okay. Around 100 people are coming. Okay, continue.
Okay,
Cake I will get since you are not getting. Continue.
Okay, we'll look into the chairs. Then we'll give order for food.
We'll give discount coupon.
Sir, just a minute.
Okay.
Okay, we'll give order for foods and we'll have some games which can be interacting and some...
Okay, wonderful. Done. Let's play one game. Are you ready? It's a birthday party. One game, please. Come on, as an event manager, you should be thinking on your feet.
Okay, I'm ready.
Simply
but I
you
want
don't
sir to come, friend.
Okay, it's my birthday.
Okay. I want any 10 audience to come, friend. Any 10, quickly. Any 10 audience, quickly. It's a sir birthday. You need to satisfy him. You can't disappoint him. Any 10 audience, please. Even you can join. Any 10 audience.
I think you have to be a little careful. She says she has to satisfy me.
I mean the audience. It's your birthday.
Not me. Audience will be satisfied now.
Any 2 of them is fine. Any 2 of them. Any 2 of them, please.
Okay, let's imagine each one is a 2-person. So 5 of them into 2, 10. Done. Continue.
Okay, the main character will be our birthday person. Yes.
Birthday boy is the main character.
Sir, can you stand here? Okay.
What should I do?
Sir, you need to say one, just a minute. I want everyone to turn aside. Usually, you need to stand in a straight line and just turn that side. I request. Yeah, everyone stand in a straight line. Quickly, please. I mean, like this. Straight line. Okay, you can, single line, you can turn this side. Sir, you need to do one action to him and he need to imitate and tell everyone, and the last person should do the same thing. Yes, your time begins now.
Okay, so no. See, one thing I will tell you. You have failed as an event manager. You should have taken care that when I could do any action, which will be very odd for all the participants.
No, they just enjoyed it.
You all enjoyed?
It was fun. It was fun for them because I was
Really?
observing them. If they were not comfortable, they would have addressed.
Participants are saying no, event manager is saying yes, everyone enjoyed.
Sir, they're just telling in front of you. Like,
Okay,
if
another
they
game,
had some
another game,
uncomfortable.
another game.
Okay. I wanted 5 chairs.
5?
Can you get it 5 chairs, please?
This is the final game.
Yes.
Birthday boy should get one? No.
No.
Birthday boy will stand.
You can keep it in circle. Yes.
Done. Next.
One more.
Ah.
Even birthday boy should join because it's your day.
Okay.
I think you can get one more chair, please.
Musical chair. Musical.
I want 6 participants.
Plastic chair is okay.
Anything is
Ah,
fine.
okay, okay.
Hope you don't fall. That's it.
No, I won't fall. Don't worry. I am married.
Okay. Yes,
you said-
everyone should move outside. When I say stop, you need to place yourself on the chair, including the birthday boy.
No, I mean to say chairs are facing inside. We need to come inside.
Yes, you need to come
Okay.
inside.
Okay,
Outside
walk.
it will be easy. So
You need to walk.
you should walk quickly. No catwalk. You should run. Stop. Okay. Remove 1 chair.
Arre.
No, 2 chair. Remove 2 chairs.
2 chairs.
For playing this game, I have to hire event manager.
Sir, game is a game.
Yeah, game is a game. Correct. Oh, move. Birthday boy should not be disappointed.
No, when birthday boy loses, it will be more interesting.
Oh.
Quick. No ramp walk. Quick. Sir, even you should run.
No, birthday boy loses,
sir,
it will be interesting.
wherever
I
you
want to
go-
lose.
Sir, wherever you go, competition matters. Move fast. Stop. Sir, you
Correct.
purposefully
You said
did
it right. When birthday boy loses, it is interesting. See, everyone is
Sir,
enjoying.
you purposefully did it. No competition.
I think tomorrow was her birthday. She too lost in advance. So thank you. I think wonderful.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
We could have rather played Ringa Roses, I think. Okay, one final thought.
Yes, sir.
These are all your colleagues.
Yes.
You are not HR manager. Contemporary, same office. And the HR manager has told you, I believe you have the capacity, energy, enthusiasm, which you began with,
Yes.
to encourage all these people. Tomorrow is a holiday, and there is some plan has been done for tomorrow, an outing possibly. So let's put your words together and encourage full. Jan.
Yes, audience. Sorry, not audience. My friends, dear friends, you know tomorrow is a leave. But I think what matters is excitement, what matters is enthusiasm. So I request everyone tomorrow to get ready at sharp 9 o'clock and let's have a beautiful journey tomorrow. I think we need to enjoy our leave. Thank you.
Now I think after listening to you, no one is coming tomorrow. Okay, who all are going with her tomorrow? Raise your hands. Your colleague?
There are, see,
Yeah, I know. They are all from your college only. Don't
no,
worry.
sir. From my college, I am alone today.
You are alone.
Yes.
Wow. Why you are the only student in your college?
They got eliminated and today I got selected.
Oh, all got eliminated.
Yes, sir.
Oh, congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Nice listening to you, your energy, your enthusiasm. Game was wonderful.
Thank you, sir.
In the evening, I'm playing with all the neighborhood children. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I would also like to extend my sincere thanks to Professor Girish Madla for being such a wonderful judge and a constant pillar of support to us. On behalf of MSNIM, we are truly grateful for your guidance and encouragement. Thank you, sir. A big thank you to all the participants for making this event a tremendous success. Lastly, I would like to extend my deepest thanks to all the faculty members and students for being such a wonderful and attentive audience. Your presence and support have been invaluable. Thank you, everyone.
చుట్టమల్లే చుట్టేస్తాంది తుంటరి చూపు ఊరికే ఉండదు కాసేపు అస్తమానం నీలోకమే నామై మరపు చేతనైతే నువ్వే నన్నాపు నానెత్తర కులాసా నీ కలలకి చేసా నీకోసం వయసు వాకిలి కాసా రంగం సిద్ధం చేశా ఎందుకు పుట్టిందో పుట్టింది ఏమో నవ్వంటే ముచ్చట పుట్టింది పుడతాని పిచ్చి పట్టింది ఈ పేరు పెట్టింది ఉయ్యారం ఓడి కట్టింది కోరిట పెట్టింది సామికి ముక్కులు కట్టింది చుట్టమల్లే చుట్టేస్తాంది చుట్టేస్తాంది
सुपर डुपर कमरिया हाथ में डाले हाथ बचेंगे सारी रात आज मिला है हमको सुपर सुपर सावरिया बाएं से थोड़ा बाएं से हो आज हिला दे सारी दुनिया जब देखूं बना दी लाल पीली अखियां जब देखूं बना दी लाल पीली अखियां मैं नहीं डरता भले ही काटो अखियां मैं नहीं डरता भले ही काटो अखियां
like this, make it knock like this.
Súmale vamos pa' que mi gata prenda los motores, que se preparen que lo que viene pa' que le den duro. Mamita, yo sé que tú no te me vas a quitar duro. Lo que me gusta es que tú te dejas llevar duro. Todos los weekends ella sale a vacilar duro. Mi gata no puede janguear porque ella le gusta la gasolina. Dame más gasolina. Como le encanta la gasolina. Dame más gasolina. Ella le gusta la gasolina. Dame más gasolina. Como le encanta la gasolina. Dame más gasolina. Ella prende la turbina.
Moramina, నిన్ను కోసుకుంటా ఇయాల పోయి మీనా మరిగిందే మసాలా
చెలికున్నా బయసాపు ఇస్తారయాలా కసిమినా తొలి విందులియాలా
కిలికిలియే కిలికిలియే కిలికిలియో కిలికిలియే కిలికిలియే కిలియో
కిలికిలిగే కిలికిలిగే కిలికిలేయో కిలికిలిగే కిలియో
దావులి వదిరే వదిరే దావులి వదిరే వదిరే వది దావులి వదిరే వదిరే దావులి వదిరే వదిరే వది
Gangnam Style 낮에는 따사로운 인간적인 여자 커피 한 잔에 여유를 아는 품격 있는 여자 밤이 오면 심장이 뜨거워지는 여자 그런 반전 있는 여자
나는 선어해 낮에는 너만큼 따사로운 그런 선어해 커피 식기도 전에 원샷 때리는 선어해 밤이 오면 심장이 터져버리는 선어해 그런 선어해 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 hey. 그래 바로 너 hey. 아름다워 사랑스러워 그래 너 hey. 그래 바로 너 hey. 지금부터 갈 때까지 가볼까 오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 오빤 강남스타일 강남스타일 오빤 강남스타일 에이 섹시 레이디 오빤 강남스타일 에이 섹시 레이디
Run the track, man, run the track, and nobody look at them say. Run the track, hey, run the track and nobody look at. Run the track, man, run the track and nobody look at them say. Run the track, hey, run the track and nobody look back.
Let's have some Ronak, let's have some party now. Let's have some roll out.
Run the track and nobody look at them say.
Let's have some hold on, let's call the dolly now. Let's have some waddi tappa. Chalo chalo ji lakala chakalo, chalo ji mauj manalo, chalo ji nach lagalo, pakad kisi ki wrist and we twist, we twist, we twist, we twist and we twist, we twist, we twist, we twist and we twist,
Twist it up, wind it up, move it up,
twist and we twist,
twist it up, wind it up, move it up.
மல்லி மல்லியா 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 ஐயா வாழ்த்து சொல்ல ஊரே சேர்ந்ததையா தனித்தனியா இருந்த ரெண்டு வல்லகம் ஃபேமிலியா இப்போ ஆனதையா மனசுல தான் நினைச்சதெல்லாம் நடக்க குணத்துல தான் சாதி இருக்குதையா அழைச்சுக்குவா அழகா ஒன்ன ஒருத்து புரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டா அவதான் கொண்டாட்டியும் சவதிக்கா சவதிக்கா ட்ரிப்பா ட்ரிப்பிங்கா ட்ரிப்பா ட்ரிப்பிங்கா சவதிக்கா சவதிக்கா யக்கா கப்புங்கா யக்கா மரியாச்சி எட்டு மணியாச்சி கொஞ்சம் கிசாலே ஹலே ஹலே யக்கா மரியாச்சி எல்லாம் சரியாச்சி லவ்வ குத்தாலே ஹலே ஹலே
Si pega los dientes como abuelita, mamadita que está tan rica. Si pega los dientes como abuelita.
Chiquiri bang bang, con la boca ya me lleva pa' tu bang bang. Chiquiri bang bang, con la boca ya me lleva pa' tu bang bang.
పాషు పాషు పరదేశి నేను వారి నుంచి వచ్చేసాను రోషముండ కుర్రాళ్ళ కోసం వాషింగ్టన్ వదిలేశాను
కుర్చీని మార్చబెట్టి முழம் போட்டே மாறி கொடுந்து கபத்திலு மாட்டி புடிச்சு பிஸ்தாஸ் மாக்கிராசோ மாறி ஜமாக்கிராயா பிஸ்தாஸ் மாக்கிராசோ மாறி ஜமாக்கிராயா சுருக்கருக்கா முக்கா முழம் போட்டே மாறி கொடுந்து கபத்திலு மாட்டி புடிச்சு பிஸ்தாஸ் மாக்கிராசோ மாறி ஜமாக்கிராயா பிஸ்தாஸ் மாக்கிராசோ மாறி ஜமாக்கிராயா டமாலே
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We have come to the end of 2-day state-level intercollegiate cultural and management fest EDIFY 2K25 presents Kurukshetra. I, Gayatri, first year MBA, will be the host of this program. Now, we have gathered here not only to bid the farewell to the past, but to celebrate the growth and achievements. So before we pull off the curtains for the day, let's begin with the valedictory ceremony. I now request our faculty coordinators to escort the dignitaries to the dais. May I now request Ms. Pradnya to introduce the guest and welcome the gathering.
Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. A very good evening to one and all present here. I, Pradnya, of first year MBA, take this opportunity to welcome you all for the valedictory program of EDIFY 2025 presents Kurukshetra. As a chief guest, we have been joined by Mr. Bojraj Vamanjur. Mr. Bojraj Vamanjur was born in 1968 in Vamanjur, Mangalore Taluk, to Sri Koragappa Pujari and Srimati Mohini. He has served for over 2 decades in Tulu drama and film industry. His journey in the world of art began with his debut in Yakshagana play Shweta Kumara Charitre as Radhe. Since then, he has acted in over 9,000 drama performances, showcasing his versatility as a comedian. Mr. Bojraj's talent extends beyond the drama to the silver screen with his notable performance in the films like Kadalamage. His achievement has been recognized with numerous awards, including the Rajasava Award in 2011 and the Best Comedian Award for his role in the film Madhime in 2015. He has also been felicitated by various organizations and has been conferred the title Navarasa Raja. Mr. Bojraj resides in Mangalore with his wife Srimati Shivani and 3 children. We salute his achievement in the field of art. On behalf of our institution, management, director, faculty, staff and student, I extend a warm welcome to you, sir. Now I request our President, Mr. Manel Nayak, to welcome Mr. Bojraj Vamanjur. We have with us our President of the program, Shri Manel Nayak. Shri Manel Nayak is a very enterprising businessman, a pleasing personality, and is the strength and pillar of our institution, with strong mind and soft heart. He is the current president of Women's National Education Society. A warm welcome to you, sir. I would like to welcome Mr. Ajit Kamath, the correspondent of MSNIM. A warm welcome to you, sir. This institution is led by our esteemed director, Dr. Molly S. Chowdhury. A warm welcome to you, ma'am. A cordial welcome to all our governing council and government body members. I would like to welcome the people from the news and print media who has gathered here to cover our today's program. A pleasant welcome to all the participants of various institutions and their respective faculty members. I would like to welcome our eminent judges who have been with us for last 2 days. I welcome all the teaching and non-teaching staff of our institution. Lastly, I would like to welcome all the students of MSNIM. Once again, a hearty welcome to you all.
Thank you, Pragna. As we have gathered here to mark the conclusion of today's fest, let's dive into the highlights that have made this fest unforgettable. I call upon Mrs. Satvika Shetty, the faculty coordinator of EDIFY 2K25, to read out the report.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. EDIFY is a vibrant two-day intercollegiate fest that seamlessly blends the dynamic world of cultural expression and management excellence. Each day is a celebration of creativity and leadership, featuring a rich lineup of activities that engage students in both realms. EDIFY is more than just a fest. It's an immersive experience that fosters collaboration, inspires innovation, and highlights the powerful synergy between management acumen and artistic expression. The inauguration of EDIFY 2025 was held yesterday, that is 2nd April 2025. Students from around 40 UG and PG colleges participated in the fest. Ms. Madhu Mailankodi, sports partner at Star Sports, inaugurated the fest. Mr. Jeevandas Narayan, Vice President, Women's National Education Society, Mangalore, presided over the function. Mr. Ajit Kamath, correspondent, Manel Srinivasa Nayak Institute of Management, congratulated all the teams and wished them good luck. Dr. Molly S. Chowdhury, Director, Manel Srinivasa Nayak Institute of Management, was present. The trophies were released with the flash mob by the students of the college. Several competitions were held throughout the 2 days that tested the skills and caliber of the students. There were totally 15 events organized in these 2 days, comprising of 6 management events and 9 cultural events. In these 15 events, around 670 students attended from different UG and PG colleges. Now, we have reached the valedictory function of EDIFY, and I'm sure all of you all are eagerly waiting for the result. All the best to all the participants. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. I now request our chief guest, Mr. Bojraj Vamanju, to address the gathering.
Anda? Dialogue panka. Whoa. Wow. ಮಾತ್ರಿಗ್ಲ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ತುಳುತಾ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ತುಳು ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ. ಸರಿ. ಮನೇಲಿ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ನಾಯಕನ ಅರ್ನ ಒಂಜಿ ಕನಸಿದ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನದ ಪನ್ನೊಲಿ ಅರ್ನ ಮಗೆ ಸರ್ ಅಣ್ಣಪ್ಪ ನಾಯಕ ಸರ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾದಾನ ಪಂಪಿನ ಮಾಸಿ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠವಾಯಿನಂಚಿನ ದಾನ ವಿದ್ಯಾದಾನ ಹೊಡೆದು ಮಿತ್ತದ ದಾನನೇ ಇಜ್ಜಿದೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಅನ್ನದಾನ ವಿದ್ಯಾದಾನ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠದಾನ ಪಂಪೇರು ಅಂಚಿನ ಈತೋ ಶಾಲೆಯನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟದು ಅರ್ನ ಊರುಡು ಶಾಲೆಯನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟದು ಕನ್ನಡ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜಿ ಇಂಕೆ ಕೊರ ಕೇನ್ನಾಗ ಸರ್ ಮೈ ಜುಮ್ಮಾಣಿಂಗ್ ನೇಪನಾಗ ಈ ಜನ್ಮೋಡು ಮಾತೆಗಳ ತಿಕ್ಕುನ ಯೋಗ ಅತ್ತು ಸರ್ ಹಿರೇಗೆ ತಿಕ್ಕದು ನಂಚಿನ ಯೋಗ ನಿಕ್ಲೇ ತಿಕ್ಕದು ನಂಚಿನ ಭಾಗ್ಯ ಈ ವಿದ್ಯಾ ದೇಗುಲುಡು ಈ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಡು ಎಷ್ಟೋ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಗಳು ಕಲ್ತದ್ದು ಬೋತೇರು ಅಂಡ ಇಂಗಿತ ಆಸೆ ಅವನು ಸರ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಇಂಜಿ 25 ವರ್ಷ ತುಂಬ ಪೇರ ಬೋತುಂಡ ನಿಕ್ಲೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ನಿತ್ತಿನದ ನಾನು ಅಂಡ ಕಲ್ಪರ ಖುಷಿ ಯಾನ್ ಪೋತೀನಿ ಖಾಲಿ ಆಜಿನ ಮುಟ್ಟ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆಜಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಎನ್ನ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಇತ್ತೆ ಬೇಜಾರಾಪನು ನಾನು ಕಲ್ದೋಡು ಈ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಇಡು ಜಾತ್ ಪಟ 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 ಪಾತೇರ್ನಾಗ ಇವ್ಳು ಖಾಲಿ ಮೋನೆ ತುಪ್ಪಿನಿ ಖಾಲಿ ಇಂಚಾನ್ ಇಕಡೆ ಸಾತ್ವಿಕ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಇಡು ಜಾತ್ ಪಂಡಿರಿ ಇಂಕ ದೇವೇರ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಆತೀನಿ ಇದಾಲ ಯಾನ್ ತಾಲಿ ತುಯಿನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬಕ್ಕ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಪಂಡಿರಿ ತೀರೆಗೆ ಹೋಯಾರೆ ಈ ತೀರ್ ಸರ್ತ ಲಕ್ಕದಂತಲೇ ಇರೇ ಮಾಲೆ ಬೋಡ ಬೇಜಾರಾಪನು ವಿದ್ಯಾದಾನ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠದಾನ ನಮ್ಮ ರುಂಜಿ ಪನ್ಪೆ நம்மடப்புನ ಆಸ್ತಿ ಬಂಗಾರ ಕಾಸು ಬದುಕು ಒಯ್ಲ ಬೊಕ್ಕೊರಿಯಾಗ ದೆತ್ತೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆಪನು ಬೊಕ್ಕೊರಿ ವೈತೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆಪನು ಆಂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವಮಾನ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಏತ್ತನೆಟ್ಟ ನಮ್ಮ ಭೂಮಿ ದಂಬಿ ತುಪ್ಪನ ಆತ್ತನೆಟ್ಟಲ ನಮ್ಮ ದೆತ್ತೊಂದೆ ಆವಂದಿನಂಚಿನ ಶಾಶ್ವತವಾದ ಒರಿವಿನ ಆಸ್ತಿ ಎಂಜಿನ ಪನ್ನಗ ಅವು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಲ್ತಿನ ವಿದ್ಯೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅವೇ ಒಂದು ಶಾಶ್ವತವಾದ ಒರಿವು ನಮ್ಮೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ. ಆ ವಿದ್ಯೆ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಇತ್ತಂಡ ವಾ ಮಟ್ಟುಗಳ ಪೋಲಿ ಓಡಲ ಬರಲಿ ಧೈರ್ಯ ಆಪನು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿತೆ ದುಬೈ ಮಸ್ಕತ್ ಬ್ಯಾರಿನ ಮತ್ತು ಪೋಪ ಪೋನಗ ಏರ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಉಂತವೇರು ಏರ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಚೆಕ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಆಪನು ಪಾಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ತೂಪೇರು ಅವಳು ಪಾತಿರ್ನಾಗ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಖಾಲಿ ಮೋನೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ತೂಪಿನಿ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಸ್ ನೋ ಓಕೆ ಎಸ್ ಗೋ ಹಾಂ ಹಂಚ ಕೆಲವು ಸರ್ತಿ ನಂಗೆ ದಾದಾಪನ್ನಾಗ ಇಂಕುಲು ಕಲ್ತುಂದಂಡ ಇಂಚಿನ ಶಾಲೆ ಬೈದುಂದಂಡ ಇಂಕುಲ್ಲ ಪಾತಿರ್ದು ಇಂಕ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಆಸೆ ಉಂಟು ಅಂಡ ಎಲ್ಲಿಡೆ ಇಂಕ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿದ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಪೂರ್ಣಿಡ್ದವರ ಕಲ್ಪರಾಜಿ ಆಜಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಡೇ ಉಂತಾಯೆ ನನ್ನದು ಜೋಕ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ಜೋಕ್ಲು ಎತ್ತು ಓಡೋರು ನಿಕ್ಲು ಆತ ಕಲ್ಪಲಿ ಬಂದು ಎನ್ನ ಜೋಕ್ಲೆ ಬಂತೆ ವಿದ್ಯೆ ಶಾಶ್ವತವಾದ ಉರಿ ಉಡೇಪಲ ಈತ್ಪುರದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಇನ್ನು 25ನೇ ವರ್ಷದ ಸಂಭ್ರಮಗೂ ಬೈದುಂಡು ಮಸ್ತ್ ಖುಷಿ ಅವನುಂಡು ಮಸ್ತ್ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಅವನುಂಡು ಇಂಚಿನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ನಲ್ಲಾತು ಬುಳೆವಾಡು ನಿಟ್ಟು ಎತ್ತೂ ಜನ ಡೆಡ್ಡೆ ಕಲಾವಿದರು ಕಲಾವಿದರಿಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಬೋಡುಂದಂಡ ವೇದಿಕೆ ತಿಕ್ಕೋಡು ಅಂಚಿನ ವೇದಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಭರತನಾಟ್ಯ ಅವಾರ್ಡು ಯಕ್ಷಗಾನ ಅವಾರ್ಡು ನಾಟಕ ಅವಾರ್ಡು ಚಿತ್ರ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡು ಸಂಗೀತ ಅವಾರ್ಡು ಗಾಯನ ಅವಾರ್ಡು ಇಂಚೆ ಭರತನಾಟ್ಯ ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂಜಿಲ ಆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊರ್ಪುನಂಚಿನ ಎಡ್ಡೆ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗುಂಡು ಅಂಚಿನ ಅವಕಾಶ ಭಾರಿ ಖುಷಿ ಸರ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ದೇವನಾಗ ಮಾತ ಜೋಕುಲ್ಡೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂಜಿ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆ ಉಂಡು ಆ ಜೋಕುಲಿಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಇಂಚಿನ ಅವಕಾಶ ತಿಕ್ಕಡಂದ ಆ ಜೋಕುಲು ಜಾತಿ ಎತ್ತೊರಗು ಬೆಳೆಪೇರು ಅಂಚಿನ ಅವಕಾಶ ಮೂಲ ಕೊರೊಂದುಲೇರು ನಿಕ್ಕಲು ಮಾತಾಯ್ದ ಪ್ರಯೋಜನ ಪಡೆಯೊಂದುಲ್ಲಾರು ಅಂಚ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ದಿನಗಲ ನಂಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮೊದಲ ಗುರು ಏರು ಪನ್ನಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಪ್ಪನ್ನೇ 5 ಬಕ್ಕ ಶಾಲೆದು ನಮ್ಮ ಟೀಚರ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಕ್ಕಲ ಮಿತ್ರ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಬತ್ತು ಕಲ್ತಂದಂಡ ಕೊಂಚ ಆತ ಎತ್ತರಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಕಾರಣ ಅಂಚನೆ ಯಾನು ಒಂಜಿ ಕಲಾವಿದೆ ಆಪಿನ ಯಾನು ಎನ್ನುದುಜಿ ಇತ್ತಲ ನಲ್ಲ ಕಲಾವಿದೆ ಆತುಜಿ ನಲ್ಲ ಆಯರಂಡು ಏನು ಕಲ್ತೊಂದುಲ್ಲ ಆತೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಎಪ್ಪನಾಗ ಅದನ್ನ ಒಂಥರ ಅಭಿರುಚಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ನಾಟಕಗಳು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಮಲ್ಪರೆ ಇನ್ನು ಸುರುತ ಅನುಭವದ ಕತೆ ಅನುಭವದ ಪನ್ನಾಗ ದಾಯ ಪನ್ನೊಂದುಲೆ ಪನ್ನಾಗ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಜೋಕ್ಲೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಕ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಪ್ಸ್ಕೊಡ್ದು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಕ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಲ್ತದು ಅಕ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಬೆರಿ ಬೊಟ್ಟದು ಅಕ್ಲಿನ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಕಂದಂಡ ಅಕ್ಲು ಧೈರ್ಯ ಒಪ್ಪೇರು ಈಜಿನ ಪೋಡಿದು ಒಪ್ಪೇರು ಕೆಲಸ ವೇದಿಕೆದ ನರ್ವಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಉಪ್ಪುನು ಪೋಡಿಗೆ ಅಪ್ಪನು ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಉಪ್ಪುನು ಆ ಬಾಕಿ ಜೋಕ್ಲು ಅವಲೇ ಬಾಕಿ ಅಪ್ಪ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋಡು ಅಪ್ಪಮ್ಮೆ ಶಾಲೆದ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ಗೂ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ದಂಡ ಆ ಜೋಕ್ಲು ஞாತ್ ಎತ್ತರಗು ಬೀಳೆಪ್ಪ ವಿದ್ಯೆದೊಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ತನ್ನಡ ಉಲೇಡುಪ್ಪನ ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಯನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸ್ಪವನಂಚಿನ ಅವಕಾಶ ಅಕ್ಲಿಗ್ಲ ತಿಕ್ಕುನು ಅಂಚ ಕತೆ ಪನ್ನೋಡತ್ತೆ ಏನ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಪರಳೆತ್ತಾ ಸರಿ ಯಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಮಲ್ದಿನಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಕುಂಕುಮ ಪಂಪಿನ ಈ ನಾಟಕಗಳು ಯಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ ಯಾನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ನಾಟಕ ಅಭಿನಯ ಮಲ್ಪಡೊಂದು ಆಸೆ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂಡ ಪೋಡಿಗೆ ಉಂಟು ಕಂಡವಟ್ಟೆ ಅಂಚ ಎಂಗ್ಲ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಡು ಆಜಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಅಲ್ಲ ಒಂಜೊಂಜಿ ವರ್ಷ ಒಂಜೊಂಜಿ ನಾಟಕ ಒಪ್ಪುಂಡು ಜೋಕುಲ್ನ ಆ ವರ್ಷ ಎಂಕ್ಲ ನಾಟಕ ಆಜಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತಕಲ್ಲ ಯಾನು ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಕೇನ್ ಗನ್ಪೋಯೆ ಮಾತಿರಲ್ಲಿ ಏರು ಮಾತು ಹುಷಾರಿಲ್ಲ ಜೋಕುಲು ಅಕ್ಲೆ ಮಾತು ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್ ಮಲ್ಪೇರೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊರ್ಪೇರು ಹುಷಾರಿದ್ದ ಪೂರ ಪೇರ ದೇವನ್ನ ಕಲ್ಪುರೇಟ್ ಹುಷಾರಿಜ್ಜಿ ಇರಂದಂಡ ಅಕ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಜಾರ ಅಂಚೆ ಆ ವರ್ಷ 8 ಜನ ಆರ್ಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ನಕಲಿ ಪೂರ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ನಕಲಿ 8 ಜನ ಆರ್ಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ನಕಲು ಸೇರಿದು ಒಂಜಿ ನಾಟಕ ಕುಂಕುಮ ಬಂದು ಆ ವರ್ಷ ಎಂಕಲ ನಾಟಕ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಮಲ್ಪರೆ ಆಸೆ ಅಂಡು ದಯಾಪರೊಂದಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಜೋಕುಲಿಗೆ ಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ಕೊರ್ಕ ಅಕ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ ಧೈರ್ಯ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಅಂಚ ಎಂಕ್ಲ ಹೆಡ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತೇರು ದಯ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನು ಕಲ್ಪನೆ ಇಟ್ಟು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಲ ಕೋಳಿ ಮೊಟ್ಟೆ ಭಾರಿ ಬೇಜಾರ ಒಂದು ಅಂಚೆ ಭಯಂಕರ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತೇರು ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್. ಆ ವರ್ಷ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಧೈರ್ಯ ಜಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಪೋಯ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಪೋದು ಸರ್ ಕುಲೊಂದೇರು. ಸರ್ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸರ್. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸರ್. ನಾಳ್ದು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಡೇ ಉಂಟಂತೆ. ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಡೇ ಏನೋ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಡೇ ಉಂಟಂತೆ. ಏನು ಬೇಡವಾ? ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಇರಲಿ ಸರ್, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನಾಳ್ದು ನಾಟಕ ಉಂಟಂತೆ. ಏನು ಬೇಡವಾ? ಇರಲಿ ಸರ್, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸರ್ ನನಗೊಂದು ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಆಸೆ ಉಂಟು ಸರ್. ಒಂದು ಪಾತ್ರ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕೊಡಿ, ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾತ್ರ ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್ ನನಗೆ. ಪಾತ್ರ ನಿನಗೆ ಯಾವುದು? ಎಲಿಮಿಂದ ಪಾತ್ರವಾ? ಎಲಿಮಿಂದ ಪಾತ್ರ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅಭಿನಯ. ಅಭಿನಯಕ್ಕೆ ತಲೆ ಬುರುಡೆ ನಿಂದು ಕಲಿಯುವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಳಿ ಮೊಟ್ಟೆ ಎಂತ ಕೇಳು ಪಾತ್ರ ಅದು. ಹೋಗ ನೀನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಒಂದು ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್. ನೀನು ಹೋಗಿ ಕಿರಿಕಿರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ, ನೀನು ಮೊದಲು ಕಲಿಮುನಿ ಆತ್ಮ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾಟಕ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಒಂದು ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸರ್. ನೀವು ಕಿರಿಕಿರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ, ಹೋಗಿ ಮಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಒಂದು ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್. ಕಡೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿರು ಮಾಸ್ಟ್ರು. ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾಳೆ ಉಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ ಬಂದಿರು. ಉಳಿತೆ ಕೊಡ್ತು ಇಂಚಿನ ಭೂತಾಯದ ಕಜಿಪ್ಪು ಕೊಡ್ಪುಣ ಎಂಕಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಮನ ಪಾಯ ಕೂಡ ಪಾಯ ಮಾಡದಾನೆ ಹೋದ್ ಬಂಡೆ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಕೊಂಡ್ಕೊಳ್ದೇರು. ಸರ್ ನಿನ್ನೆದು ಏನಾದರೂ ಉಳಿದದ? ಎಂಥ ಮೀನು ಸಾರುವ ಯಾನ್ ಖಾಲಿ ದಿನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬಂದೇ ಬಿಡಿಯರು. ಬಂದಿರು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಪಾತ್ರ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನೀನು ಮಾಡು ಬಂದಿರು. ಖುಷಿಯ ನಿಂಗೆ ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ಕೊರಿಯರು. ಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಟ್ ಇಡು ದೇವರ ದಯಟು ಮಾತ್ರೆಗಳ ಮೂಜಿ ಪೇಜ್ ಡೈಲಾಗ್ ಎಂಗೆ ಖಾಲಿ ಮುಜೆ ಗೀಟಿ ಡೈಲಾಗ್ ಆನಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಎನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಫುಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್. ಐನಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಬೂಕ್ ಬಂದ ಆತನ ಅಪಗನೆ ಅದು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಅದು ಒಂಜಿ ತಿಂಗಳ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಅಪಗ ಮಾತ. ನಾಟಕದ ದಿನ ಬರ್ತಂದು ಕುಂಕುಮ ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗೊಂದುಲ್ಲೇರು ಮಾತ್ರ ತಯಾರಾತೇರು. ಎನ್ನ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ನ ಪಾತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೇರು, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕತಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೇರು, ಮತ್ತು ಕನ್ನಡ ಕೊಂಚ ಕೊಡ್ತೇರು. ಮಾತ ಪಾಡ್ದು ಮಾತ ಮೇಕಪ್ ರಾಯ್ಬಕ್ಕ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಎದುರು ಏನನೇ ತುಯ್ಯೆ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಎದುರು ಉಂಟುದು ಏನನೇ ತುಯ್ಯೆ ಎಂಕೆ ಖುಷಿಯಾನು ಆವಲಿಯ ಯಾನು ಆಜಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಯ್ನ ಖುಷಿಯಾನು ಎಂಕೆ ಕಲ್ತಿಜಿರ ಆತ್ತೆ ಬಂದು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಯ್ತಾನು. ಡ್ರಾಮಾ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಅದು ಇಂಚಿನ ಹಾಲ್ ಪಿದೈ ಕ್ರೌಡು ಜನ ಸೇರಿದು ಪಿದೈಡ್ಲ ಜನ ಉಂಡು ಮೈದಾನ ಫುಲ್ಲು ಜನ ಆತನು. ಹಿಂಗ್ಲು ಇಲ್ಲಿಯ ಇಂಚಿನ ಒಂಜಿ ರೂಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೇರು. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಮೇಕಪ್ ರೆಡಿ ಯಾರ ಹಾಲ್ ಇಂಚಿನ ಪಿದೆ ಇಡ್ತುನಾಗ ಫುಲ್ ಓಪನ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡು ಪೂರ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಕ್ಲು ಬೈದೇರು ಮತ್ತು ತುಯ್ಯರು ರೆಡಿ ಆತೀರು. ನಾಟಕ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆದು ಐಟು ಮಾತ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಜೋಕುಲೆ ಹೀರೋ ಹೀರೋಯಿನಿ ಅಜ್ಜಿಯರು ಪೂರ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಜೋಕುಲೆ ಇವರ ಅಂಚ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸೀನ್ ಅನಾಗ ಹೀರೋ ನಮ್ಮೇಲೆ ಹುಷಾರು ಪೂಜಿ ಅಪ್ಪಗ ಹೀರೋ ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಂಬರ್ಪೆ ಅಂದು ಪಿದೆ ಬರ್ಪೆ. ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರ್ ಯಾನು ಜಾಲಿಡು ಕನ್ನಡದ ಒಂದಿಲ್ಲೆ ಪಂಡೇರು ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಪಂಡೇರು ಬೋಜೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮರ ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮರ ಕರಿಯವನನ್ನು ಲೆತ್ತೇರು ಬಾ ಮರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾ ಸೀನ್ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು ಬಾ ಆತು ಬರ್ತಾನಾಗ ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಇಂಜಿನ ಪರದೆ ಎತ್ತನು ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು. ಆಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ತುನಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ತಿನ್ನಿಡ್ದು ಮೂಜಿಪಟ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸಭೆ ಫುಲ್ ಕ್ರೌಡ್ ಐನ್ ತೂದೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅಲಕ್ಕ ಫುಲ್ಲು ಬೆಗಾಡ್ದನು ಬೋಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಬೆಗಾಡ್ದನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತುಜ್ಜಿ ಫುಲ್ಲು ಬೆಗಾಡ್ದು ಅಲಕ್ಕ ಚಂಡಿ ಹುಂಡಿ ಸರ್ ಬಂಡೆ ಬಾ ಮರೆ ಸೀನಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಏನು ಸರ್ ಬಾ ಸೀನಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು ನಾನು ನಾಳೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ವಾ? ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನಾಳೆ ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಪುಣ್ಯಾತ್ಮ ಬಾ ಸೀನ್ಗೆ ಬಾ ಮಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ನನಗೆ ನರ್ವಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ನನ್ನ ಪಾತ್ರವನ್ನು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಮಾಡಲಿ ಸರ್. ನಿನ್ನ ತಲೆ ಬುರುಡೆ ಅವತ್ತು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಕರ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಪಾವನ್ ಅಲ್ತರಿ ಹೋಯ್ತಾ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಬರಿಟುಂತಾರೆ ಎಂಕಲ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ಚರ್ಚೆ ಆವಿನಿ ಸರ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂಚಿಂಚಿ ತೋಡೋಣ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ನಾನು ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ದ ನಡೂಟುಲ್ಲೆ ಯಾನು ಬೈದಿನತ್ತು ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ನಾನು ಪೂರ್ತಿ ನುಗ್ಗುದು ತೋದು ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಜೈದನು ಪೂರ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿ ಪಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಜೈದನು ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಬಂದು ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನಾಡಿ ತೋಡುವಂತೀರು ಅದಕ್ಕೊಂದು ಗೊತ್ತು ತೋಡು ಬಂತೀರು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನಾಗ ಮೆಲ್ಲ ನಾಡಿತನಾಗ ಬೇ ಕೈ ಕುರ್ಪು ಕೈ ಬಿಡಿಯ ಕರ್ಮ ಏತು ಪೊರ್ತು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಏಪ ಜೈದೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ನಿನ್ನ ಕರ್ಮ ನಿನ್ನ ಏತು ಪೊರ್ತು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಸ್ವಯಜನಿಕ್ ಮನಿತಜಿ ಕಣ್ಣು ತೋಡು ಬಂತೀರಿ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಕಣ್ಣು ಬಿಡಿಯ ಜೈದಿನೇ ಬೆರ್ಬಿನಿ ಕಣ್ಣು ಬಿಡಿಯ ನೀ ಕರ್ಮ ನಿನ್ನ ಏಪ ನಾನು ತಪ್ಪು ಮನಿ ಬಿಚ್ಚಿ ನಿಜವಾದಲ ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರ್ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಗೆ ನೆರಡು ಒಂದು ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿಗೆ ನೆರಪಿನಿ ಮನಿತು ಜನ ತಪ್ಪುಂಡತ್ತ ಪಂಡೆ ಸ್ಕತಸ್ಕೋಬಿಡು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಲ್ತೆ ಮಂಡೆ ಇವನಿಗೆ 94 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಲ್ಸಿಯಸ್ ಜ್ವರ ಉಂಟು ಬಂಡೆ ಬರ್ರ ಜನಗಳು ತೇಳ್ತಿರು ಈಗ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಪೆದ್ದ ಮುನಿರಲ್ಲಿ 99 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಲ್ಸಿಯಸ್ ಎಂತ ಹವಾಮಾನ ವರದಿ ಬೋದ ಪಾಪಿ ಮಗನೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾಚಿಕೆ ಮಾನ ಬರೆದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೂಡ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಮನಿತಿಜಿ ಜನ ತೆಲ್ತೊಂದುಲ್ಲೇರು ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ನೇರೊಂದುಲ್ಲೇರು ಕೂಡ ಬಂಡೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇವನಿಗೆ 4 ಗುಳಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಗುಳಿಗೆ ನೀನು ಅಜ್ಜನಿಗೆ ಕೊಡು, ಭಾಷೆ ಇಲ್ಲದ ಪ್ರಾಣಿ. ಕಿರಿಕಿರಿಯಾನಿ ಮಾಸ್ಟ್ ನೆರೊಂದುಲೇರು ಪಿರಾಮಿಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ದ ಪಿರಾಡು ಯಾನು ಸೀದ ಉಳಾಪತ್ತೆ ಎಂತ ಸರ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ನವರು ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ನೆಗಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನೀವು ನನಗೆ ಬೈತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ, ನಾನು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ, ನಾನು ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದಾಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ 99 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಸೆಲ್ಸಿಯಸ್ ಜ್ವರ ಉಂಟು. ನಿನ್ನ ತಲೆ ಬುರುಡ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ತಲೆ ಜ್ವರ ಬರ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು? ಅವನಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದ್ರ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು? ಸ್ಕತಸ್ಕೋಪಲ್ಲಿ. ನಿನ್ನ ತಲೆ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ನಿನಗೆ ಏನೇ ಸರ್? ಸ್ಕತಸ್ಕೋಪನ್ನು ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಕುತ್ತಿಗೆಯಲ್ಲಿಟ್ಟು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಾ? ಕಿವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡಬೇಕಲ್ವ ನನಗೆ? ಯಾನು ಈಗ ಕನ್ಪಿಸಾದು ಪೋಡಿದು ನಾಲಿಡೆ ಇದು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ಕತಸ್ಕೋಪನು ಕೆಬಿಗೆ ದೀರ ನೆನಪೇಜಿಂಗ್ ಪೋಡಿದು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಕೂಡ ಕೆಬಿಗೆ ದೀದು ಬಂಡೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇವನಿಗೆ ಜ್ವರವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇವನು ಸರಿ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಉಲ್ಲಾಸದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾನೆ, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇವನಿಗೆ 4 ಗುಳಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ ಒಂಡೆ. ಒಂದು ಗುಳಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಕೊರ್ನು. ಇವನಿಗೆ 4 ಗುಳಿಗೆ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಒಂದು 6 ಗುಳಿಗೆ ಸಂಜೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, 8 ಗುಳಿಗೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಒಂದು 10 ಗುಳಿಗೆ ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಎದ್ರೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇಲ್ಲದ್ರೆ ಬೇಡ ಅಂದು ಆತು ತನಕ ಹೆಡ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಹೊಂಟಿರ್ಬಿರೋಡು. ಸರ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕುಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾ? ಯಾವುದು ಕುಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಡ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಬಡಿಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಫೀಸ್, ನನ್ನ ಫೀಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್, ಒಳಗುಂಟು, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಧನ್ಯೋಸ್ಪಿ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸೀದಾ ಬಂದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಮೊದಲ ಅನುಭವದ ಮಾತು, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಯಾಕೆಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವ ಅಷ್ಟು ಬೆಳೀತವೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ನಾವು ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತೇವ ಅಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರತಿಭೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಇಂಥ ಕಾಲೇಜುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ, ಶಾಲೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾದಾನವನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮದು ಯೋಗ ಅಂಥದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರ ಹತ್ರ ಕೂಡ ಒಳ್ಳೊಳ್ಳೆ ಕಲಾವಿದರಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಇರಲಿ. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಎಂಚಿನ ಸ್ವರಾಜಿ ಯಾನು ಡೈಲಿ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಉಂಡು ಅಂಚದು. ಓ ಅಂದು ಕೊರಲಿ ಜಾಕ್ ಕೊರಲಿ. ಹಲೋ ಮೈಕ್ ಕೊರಲಿ. ಓ ಆವ ರೆಡಿ. ದಾರಿನೇ ಪುಣ್ಯ ನಿನ್ನ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಪೋವ, ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಪೋವ ಆಸೆ ಕಾಪುನ ಪಿಂಗಾರ ಪೂವ, ಕಾಪುನ ಪಿಂಗಾರ ಪೂವ. ಬಲ್ಪಾದ ಸೂರಿ ಪಲಕಾದ ಮೂಡಿ ಕೇದೆ ಕ್ಲೇಮೋ ಕೇಡುತ್ತೂ ಏನೇ ಸಿಂಗಾರಿ ಪುಣ್ಣೆ ಮರಿಮಾಲೆ ಮಣ್ಣೆ ಎನ್ನುಡಲ ಸಿರಿದೇವಿಯ ಚಿಲಿಪಿಲಿ ಪಂಪಿನ ಪಕ್ಕಿಲು ಪಾರನ, ಚಿಲಿಪಿಲಿ ಪಂಪಿನ ಪಕ್ಕಿಲು ಪಾರುನ ಬದುಕಿದ ಉಲ್ಲಾಸದಾನೆ. ದಾನೇ ಪುಣ್ಣೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ತಿರಿಯಂದೆ ಪೋವ, ಮನಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ತಿರಿಯಂದೆ ಪೋವ. സോതി നിനഗുണു മെച്ചിത് പോയിനി സിംഗാരി പൊണ്ണു മരിമാല് മണ്ണി എന്നുടല സിരിദേവിയ പരപുന നീരിത നലിപുന പൊരുളുകൾ പരപുന നീരിത നലിപുന പൊരുളുകൾ മനസ്സിന്ന മരുളുണ്ടാരേ പൊണ്ണേ നിന്ന മനസ്സിക്ക് തിരിയന്തേ പോവ മനസ്സിക്ക് തിരിയന്തേ പോവ Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Dear all, we would be grateful if you could spare a moment to provide your valuable feedback on our college fest EDIFY. Your inputs will help us future events. I request students to come forward and share their views on our fest.
Hello, I am Tanushri, and this EDIFY competition, it was a really good competition, and the concept of Kurukshetra, it's one of the most unique concepts I've ever seen to whichever fest I've been to, and I think this is one of the most unique ones I've seen. So, and the fest and the way it was conducted was beautiful. I think the faculty members, the coordinators, they were extremely sweet, very kind, and very understanding people as well. But when it comes to rounds, certain rounds, it's just a personal feedback which I felt, and in whichever fest I've been to. So during a HR round, in the first and second round, I think there was quiz and a Damsharaj round. So when it comes to HR, I would say their speaking skills weren't really given a fair chance, where they were not able to show their talent, wherein Damsharaj, I feel, wasn't really necessary for a HR round. So that's one thing. And when it came to marketing, there was a certain round where they were given a rupees of 100 and they had to get money back. The more they got, the more points they got. So in such rounds, there should be a maximum limit, because a higher chance of malpractices will be conducted, because if there's no maximum limit set, they can just get money from anywhere. So that is one thing. Other than that, I think this is a beautiful college, and the fest was really well conducted, and management, everything very well done. So coming to fests, the main reason why I have come here is our college, SDM Law College, is conducting Scintillate on the 5th. So please do come and join our fest as well. So thank you.
Thank you for your valuable feedback. Any one student who is want to give their feedback?
Good evening, respected dignitaries on the days as well as off the days. Audience, fellow participants and friends. My name is Fahaz Ahmed. I'm from Yenapaya Degree College, Kulur. So EDIFY 2025 Kurukshetra has been a great experience. The rounds, like my predecessor said, yes, somewhere they were lacking. Yes, I would agree with that. But yes, the other rounds, yeah, you all did a good job. So I would like to congratulate you for that, all the coordinators as well as the organizers. And I would keep my feedback short, since I can see everyone is so sleepy. They are very tired. I can relate to that, since 2 days we have been through this tiring fest, and like the rounds made us tired, and now we just want to listen to the results and get it over with. Am I right? So I would like to invite you for our fest. The Yenapaya College is conducting a fest on 8th and 9th of April. If anyone wants any details, just ask me personally. I'm sitting there. All right. So yeah, thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Respected judges on the rise and off the rise. Myself, Jasmine. I'm from MAPS College. First and foremost, I would like to thank the college management, the coordinators, the volunteers, each and everyone for organizing this event. Thank you very much for inviting us also. Here it was a wonderful experience. It was blended with learning, as well as somewhere something we could learn from it. Thank you everyone for organizing this event. Yeah, there was some certain laggings, but I don't want to point it out. Still, thank you. That's all.
ಫೆಸ್ಟ್ ಭಾರಿ ಶೋಕ ಆತಂಡು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಾರಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಫೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಆತಂಡು ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಇನ್ವೈಟ್ ಮಲ್ಪೇನಿಕಲೇನು ಸೊ ಮೈ ನೇಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಭಿರಾಮ್ ಸಾಲಿಯನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೇ ಒನ್ ಹಿಡ್ಲ ಫೆಸ್ಟ್ ಭಾರಿ ಶೋಕ ಆತಂಡು ಆರ್ಗನೈಸರ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಲ್ತೇರೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಓವರ್ ನೈಟ್ ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ ಚೂರು ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಇತ್ತಿನಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಲ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂದ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು 12 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಲಕ್ಕವ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿತ್ತೇರು ಅದು 12 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಲಕ್ಕ ಇಚ್ಚೇರು 2 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಟಾಸ್ಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಅಡಿಗೆ ಚೆಪ್ಪಲೆ ಬಂದಿರು ಸೊ ಯಾ ನನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಪ್ಪೊಂದು ಪುಲೆ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸನ್ ಬರೊಂದು ರಡ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಪುದಲ್ಲ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್ ಉಂಡು ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್
It's time for one of the most awaited moment of our fest, the lucky draw. We have sold all the lucky draw tickets and now it's time to find out who takes home the prize. To make this moment even more special, I would like to invite Mr. Sanat Bandarkar, our esteemed faculty coordinator, to the stage to take over.
Good evening. Ladies and gentlemen, we have now arrived at the most awaited and exciting moment of EDIFY 2025. Yes, it is time to celebrate the winners of the Lucky Dip contest. We have 3 prizes. First prize for rupees 6,666, second prize for rupees 4,444, and third prize for rupees 2,222. To do the honors, I would like to request Mr. Ajit Kamat to kindly draw the winner of our third prize for rupees 2,222. Please give it a good shuffle, sir. Winning number is 5,225. And the winner is Mr. Srinivasa. We will be distributing the prizes later. Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to request Shri Manel Nayak sir to kindly draw the winner for our second prize, which is 4,444 rupees. 4,095, and the prize goes to Mr. Shodhan. Thank you, sir. Finally, our grand prize of rupees 6,666. I would like to request our chief guest. The winning number is 3,133, 3133. Punita. The entire team at Manel Srinivasa Nayak Institute of Management has put in tremendous efforts to sell all the Lucky Dip tickets. As a token of appreciation, we are excited to announce a cash prize of rupees 2,500 for the individual who has sold the highest number of tickets. The cash prize is awarded to Mr. Sanket from second year MBA. Mr. Sanket, please come up. I would like to request our guest, Shri Bojaraj Vamanju sir, to kindly present this prize. Congratulations to all the winners and a big thank you to all those who have participated.
Let's give a huge round of applause for all the lucky winners. And a big thank you to Sanat sir for helping us with this exciting moment. Now, I request Mr. Manel Nayak, President Women's National Education Society, to deliver the presidential address.
ಭೋಜನೆ ತುಳುಟು ಬೊಕ ಕನ್ನಡ ಪಾತೆರಿ ಬೊಕ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಇಡ್ ಪಾತೆರನ ಸಮ ಒಂದು ಬಂದು ಯಾನ್ಲ ತುಳುಟೆ ಪಾತೆರ್ಗ ಅಂದುಲ್ಲೆ ಭೋಜನ ಏರ್ ಬತ್ತಿನ ಇಂಗ್ಲೆಗ್ ಒಂಜಿ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿ ಕೊರ್ದನು ಮೂಲೆಂಗ್ ನನ್ನ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ದ ಜೋಕ್ಲಿತ್ತು ಏರತ ಭೋಜನೆ ಬಂಡೇರ ಆರು 6ನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕಲ್ತೇರ ಅಂದ ಆರು 6ನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕಲ್ತಿನ ಹಿಡ್ದು ಇನ್ನು ಮೂಲ ಉಳ್ಳೇರಾರು ಎಂಗ್ಲಕ್ಕನೆ ಕಲ್ತದಾರು ಪಿದೈ ಪೋತಿ ನಾನು ಇನ್ನು ಎಂಗ್ಲ ನೋಟ್ ಬರ್ಪೇರಾರು ಆರು ಬರ್ಪುಜಾರು ಆರು ದುಬೈಡ ಅಲ್ಪ ಪೋದು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಪಾತಿರ್ದು ಯಾರು ಎಸ್ ನೋ ಪಂಡಿಲಕ್ಕನೆ ಅಲ್ಪ ಪೋದು ಎಸ್ ನೋ ಇನ್ನು ಮಲ್ತೊಂದಿತ್ತು ಅವು ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ಹಿಡ್ದು ಇನ್ನು ಎಂಗ್ಲ ನೋಟಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇರಿದು ಎಂಕ್ಲನ್ನ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಎಂಚಿನ ಮತ್ತು ಮಲ್ಪ ಪಂಪಿನ ವಿಷಯನು ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿಷಯ ಡಾರಡನ್ ಪಂಡೆ ಎಂಚಿನ ಮಲ್ಪ ಎಂಕ್ಲನ್ನ ಶಾಲ ಪಂಡೆ ಎಂಚಿನ ಏತು ವರ್ಷದಿಂಚು ಉಂಡು ಇಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಂಚಿನ ಮತ್ತು ಮಲ್ತೊಂದುಲ್ಲ ಬೊಕ ಎಂಕ್ಲನ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಎಂಕ್ಲನ ಜೋಕ್ಲೆನ ಕಲ್ಪೆರೆ ಬೊಕ ಕಲ್ಪಾಯರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ತೂಪುನ ತಂದೆ ಜೋಕ್ಲನ್ನ ಹಿಡ್ದು ಕಾಸು ದೆತ್ತೊಂದು ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಕಟ್ಟಾರೆ ಈಗ ಡೊನೇಷನ್ ದೆತ್ತೊಂದು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ನಡಪವಚ ಎಂಕ್ಲು ಖಾಲಿ ಎಂಕ್ಲನ ಬತ್ತಿನ ಫೀಸ್ಡ್ ಎಂಕ್ಲನ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ಲ ಎಂಕ್ಲನ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ಲ ನಡಪಾಯರೆ ತೂಂದುಲ್ಲ ಅವೊಂಜಿ ವಿಷಯ ಎರಡ ಪಣ್ಣೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಭಾರಿ ಖುಷಿ ಅಂಡು ಈತ ಮಾತ ಉಂಡಂದು ಆರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಜ್ಜಿ ಪಂಡಿರಾರು ಬೊಕ ಎಂಕ್ಲನ ವಾಮಂಜೂರು ಪಂಡ ಎನ್ನ ಊರು ಪೋನಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟು ತಿಕ್ಕುನು ವಾಮಂಜೂರು ಕಡತದೆ ಬೊಕ ಎಂಕ್ಲನ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಗೆ ಪೋಡು ದುಂಬು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಉಡುಪುನಾಗ ನಿಕ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಪ ಒಂಜಿ ಕೆತ್ತಿ ಕಲ್ಪಂಡ್ಪೆನ ಒಂಜಿ ಜಾಗ ಉಂಡು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಡ್ಡೆ ಕಲಿ ತಿಕ್ಕೊಂತುಂಡು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಹಿಡ್ದು ಬೈಕ್ ಹಿಡ್ದು ತಪ್ಪಾದಿರ್ನ ವಾಮಂಜೂರು ಕೆತ್ತಿ ಕಲ್ ಬರ್ಪಿನಿ ಕಲಿ ಬರ್ರೆ ಅವು ಮತ್ತು ಇತ್ತೆ ಪಣೋಲಿ ದಾಯ್ ಪಂಡ ಕಲ್ತದಾತಂಡು ಬೇತದಲ್ಲ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇಜ್ಜಿ ಆಯ್ನ ಹಿಡ್ದು ಕಲಿ ಪರ್ತ ಅಂದ ಪಣ್ಣಿರದಲ್ಲ ಬೇಜಾರಿಜ್ಜಿ ಕಲಿ ಪರ್ದು ಪಿರ ಬರೋಂತ ಎಂಕ್ಲ ಅಪ್ಪ ಮೋಟ್ರ್ ಬೈಕ್ ಇದ್ದನು ಬೈಕ್ ಹಿಡ್ದು ಪೋಪಿನಿ ಒಂಜಿ 10-15 ಜನ ಜೋಕ್ಲು ಒಟ್ಟು ಮಲ್ತದ್ದು ಅಂಚ ವಾಮಂಜೂರು ಎಂಗ್ಲಿಗೆ ಭಾರಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ವಾಮಂಜೂರು ಮುಲ್ತದ್ಲ ಭಾರಿ ಕೈತಲ್ದ ಊರ್ಲ ಆಯ್ನ ಹಿಡ್ದು ಇನ್ನು ಬತ್ತದ ಎಂಗ್ಲನ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಪೊರ್ಲು ಮಲ್ತು ಕೊರ್ತೀನಿ ಇರೇಗ ಎಂಗ್ಲನ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ದ ಪರವಾದ ಎಂಗ್ಲನ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ದ ಪರವಾದ ಇರೇಗ ದಾದ ಪಂಡ್ಪೀನಿ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ಪಣ್ಣಿರೆ ಯಾನ ದಯಪಂಡ ಇಂದೆತ್ತ ದುಂಬುಲ ಎಂಗ್ಲು 2 ಜನ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಕ್ಲೇನು ಪತೊಂದು ಬೈದಿತ್ತ ದಯಪಂಡ ಇತ್ತ ಜೋಕ್ಲಿಗೆ ಎಂಗ್ಲನ ಊರ್ದ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಲ್ಪುನಾಗ್ಲಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಕೊರ್ಪಿನ ಪಂಡ ಭಾರಿ ಖುಷಿ ದಯಪಂಡ ಎಂಗ್ಲನ ಊರ್ದಾಕ್ಲೆ ಎಂಗ್ಲನ ಊರ್ದಾಕ್ಲು ನನ್ನಲ ದುಂಪೋಡು ಕನ್ನಡ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಇಂದಕ್ಕೆ ತುಳುಕು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಂಚಿನ ಪಂಡ ತೂಪಿನ ಜನಕ್ಕಲು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಯ್ನ ಹಿಡ್ದು ಕುಡ್ಲ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಬಾಂಬೆ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ದುಬೈ ಬುಂಡ ಮೂಜನೆ ಊರುಡು ತುಳು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ತೂಪಿನಾಗ್ಲಿ ಇಜ್ಜಾರು ಆಯ್ನ ಹಿಡ್ದು ಕುಡ್ಲಡು ಓಲ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಂಡ ತುಳು ದಯಮಲ್ತದ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಲಾಕ್ಲೆ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಮಲ್ಪೋಡು ಆಯ್ನಾತ್ ಪೋದು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ತೂಡು ಇಲ್ಲಡೆ ಕೊಲ್ದು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಬಿಡು ತೂಪನಾಥ ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ ಪೋದು ತೂಂಡ ಅಕ್ಲೆಗ್ಲ ಒಂಜಿ ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊರ್ಲೆಕಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಅಕ್ಲೆಗೆ ಒಂಜಿ ಎಂಗ್ಲನ ಜನಗಳು ಈತ ತೂಯರ್ ಪಂಡ್ಪಿನ ಒಂಜಿ ಮನಸಮಾಧಾನ ಅಕ್ಲೆ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಮಲ್ತಿನಿಗೆ ತಿಕ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆರೆಗೆ ಪೂವರೆ ಪೊರ್ತುಂಡು ಅಂಚ ಯಾನ್ ನನ್ನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪಾತಿರುಜಿ ಬತ್ತಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಜಿಂಜ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಭೋಜಣ್ಣ ನನ್ನವರ ಬರೋಡಿರು ಕಾಲೇಜಿಗೆ ಬರೋಂದು ಪೋಡು ಎಂಗ್ಲು ಬತ್ತದ ಮೂಲ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಪಾತಿರಡಂದ ಪಣ್ಪುಜ ಮೂಲ ಬೋಡಂಡ ಇರೆ ಕಲ್ಪವನಕ್ಲು ಉಳ್ಳೇರು ಇರೆಗೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಕಲ್ಪೋಟ್ ಪಂಡ ಉಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ದೆಪ್ಪ ಫ್ರೀ ಇರೆಗೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷ್ ಕಲ್ಪಾದ ಮುಲ್ತದ್ದು ಪಿದಾಯ್ ಕಡಪಡು ಎಂಗ್ಲು ಆಯ್ನ ಹಿಡ್ದು ಎಂಗ್ಲನ್ನ ಇನ್ವಿಟೇಷನ್ ಇರೆಗೆ ಯಾಪಲ ಓಪನ್ ಉಂಡು ಆಯ್ನ ಹಿಡ್ದು ಇನ್ನು ಸೇರ್ದಿನ ಮಾತ ಜೋಕ್ಲೆಗೆ ಎಂಗ್ಲನ್ನ ಫೆಸ್ಟನ್ನ ಶ್ರುತಿ ಪಂಡ್ಪಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪೇನ್ ಅಕ್ಲನ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ದ ಫೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಲ್ದ ಎಂಚಂದು ಆರೊಂಜಿ ಪಂಡೇರು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಎನಪಾಯ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ದಾಗ ಬತ್ತದು ಪಂಡೇರು ಅಂಚನೆ ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ ಅಕ್ಲು ಬತ್ತ ಪಂಡೇರು ಅಂಚ ಇಂದೊಂಜಿ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಕ್ಲಕ್ಲನ್ನ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ ಮಲ್ಪೇರೆ ತಿಕ್ಕಿಲೆ ಕಾಣ್ ಅಕ್ಲಕ್ಲನ್ನ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಇಟ್ಟು ಫೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಪುಂಡು ಪಂಪಿನ ಒರಿಜಿನ ಜೋಕ್ಲೆಗೆ ತೆರಿಪಾಯ ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಅಕ್ಲು ಪಾತಿರಿಯರು ನನ್ನಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಪಿ ವರ್ಷ ಎಂಕ್ಲನ ಇಂಚನೇ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆನಾಗ ನಿಕ್ಲು ದಯಮಲ್ತದ ನಿಕ್ಲ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಡಿಜನಲ್ಲ ಆ ಕಲ್ಪನ ಜೋಕ್ಲೆಗೆ ಮೂಲ ಬರೋಡು ಬೊಕ ಎಂಕ್ಲನ ಕಾಲೇಜನ್ನು ನಿಕ್ಲು ತೂಯಾರು ಮೂಲ MBA ಎಂಗ್ಲ ಎಂಚ ಮಲ್ಪ ಅಂದು ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಎಂಗ್ಲನ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಲ ತೆಗ್ದಾನೆ ಎಂಗ್ಲನ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಹಿಡ್ದು ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಎಂಗ್ಲನ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಹಿಡ್ದು ರಡ್ ಮೂಜಿ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ದೆತ್ತೊಂದೊಂದುಲ್ಲೇರು ಐಕ್ ಎಂಗ್ಲನ ಫ್ಯಾಕಲ್ಟಿನಕ್ಲು ಎಂಗ್ಲನ ಎಂಚಿನ ಪಂಡ್ಪೀನಿ ಮೇಲ್ವಿಚಾರಕ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಮಾಲಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಮೇಲ್ವಿಚಾರ ನೋಡು ಜೋಕ್ಲೆಗೆ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ತಿಕ್ಕೆರಾಂಡ್ ಮುಲ್ತದ್ದು ಕಲ್ತದ್ದು ಪೋಯಿನಾಕ್ಲು ಜೋಕ್ಲು ಮಾತ ಎಡ್ಡೆಡುಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲವು ಪಿದಾಯದ ಊರುಡು ಪೋತ ಐನೆಡ್ದು ಇಂಚನೆ ನನ್ನ ದುಂಬು ಕಲ್ತೊಂದು ಎಡ್ಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಂಡದು ಇಡಗೆ ಎನ್ನ ರೆಡ್ಡ ಪಾತ್ಯಾರ ಮುಕ್ತಾಯ ಮಲ್ಪ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Thank you so much, sir. We have reached one of the most thrilling moments of the fest, the announcement of the winners. These 2 days have been filled with energy, talent, and competition. And now it's time to recognize the champions who gave it all theirs. Before we reveal the names, I would like to invite Mrs. Satvika Shetty on stage to announce the winners.
We'll start with the management events. Business quiz. Second prize is backed by Team Anartha 1, that is NITK. Mr. Ajit Kamath sir to kindly distribute the prizes. Second prize, Anartha 1, NITK. The first prize is also backed by Anartha, NITK. Finance for UG, second place is backed by Team Yadava, Vivekananda College, Puttur. Team Yadava backs the second prize under UG category of finance. And the first prize is backed by Team Kashi, MAPS College. Team Kashi, MAPS College. Under PG category, second place is backed by Team Kalinga, AIMIT College. Team Kalinga backs the second prize under finance for PG category, AIMIT College. And the first prize is backed by Uttarakuru St. Aloysius College, Mangalore. Uttarakuru St. Aloysius College, Mangalore. Under marketing, UG category, second place is backed by Team Sindhu 1, SDM Law College. Team Sindhu, SDM Law College. First place is backed by Team Kashi, MAPS College. Team Kashi, MAPS College. Under PG category, the second place is backed by Team Gandhara, AJ Institute of Management. Team Gandhara, AJ Institute of Management. First place is backed by Team Chedi, SDM PG Center, Mangalore. Team Chedi, SDM PG Center, Mangalore. HR under UG category. Second place is backed by Ishwakuru, Yenapoya College. Under HR, second place is backed by Ishwakuru, Yenapoya College. First place is backed by Team Kuru, Canara College. Under HR, first place under UG category is backed by Team Kuru, Canara College. Under PG category, second place is backed by Pattana, Mangalore University MBA. Pattana, Mangalore University MBA. First place under HR category is backed by Team Chedi, SDM PG Center. Team Chedi, SDM PG Center. Best Management Team, Ahira 2, MIT. Best Management Team, Ahira 2, MIT. And the Best Manager, the last category under Management, Best Manager, Team Matsya 1, Srinivasa Institute of Technology. Matsya 1, the Best Manager. Now we come to the cultural events. Gully Cricket, second prize is backed by Team Balika, St. Agnes College. Team Balika from St. Agnes College. First place is backed by Team Chedi, SDM College, PG Center. Arm wrestling second prize is backed by Mr. Anuj, St. Aloysius College. And first prize is backed by Mr. Nikhil, WGSHA Manipal. Are you all there? Arm wrestling? Okay. Face painting second place is backed by Team Puru, Besant Women's College. And first place is backed by Team Salva, SES First Grade College. Team Salva, SES First Grade College. Mehendi, second place is backed by Shuraswa, St. Raymond's College. St. Raymond's College, Mehendi, second place. First place is backed by Team Puru, Besant Women's College. I request our director to give away the next prizes. Treasure hunt is won by KKR, Sridevi Institute of Technology, MBA. Team KKR. BGMI, second place is backed by Team Chedi, SDM PG Center. SDM PG Center. And first place is backed by Team KKR, Sridevi Institute of Technology, MBA. Reels making, second place is backed by Team Matsya, Srinivasa Institute of Technology. Second place is backed by Team Matsya, Srinivasa Institute of Technology. First place is backed by Team Sindhu, SDM Law College. Sindhu, SDM Law College. There was a special prize announced by Nissan, highest views from Nissan, that goes to Divan from SDM College. Divan from SDM College. These are goodies sponsored by Nissan. Next we have singing competition. Second prize goes to Dasarna St. Philomena's College. Dasarna from St. Philomena's College. And the first prize goes to Balika St. Agnes College. Balika St. Agnes College. Dance. Second prize goes to Team Puru, Besant Women's College. Team Puru, Besant Women's College. First prize in dance competition goes to AJ Institute of Management. The overall runners are Team Puru Besant Women's College. And now the overall champions of EDIFY 2025 goes to Team Chedi, SDM College of PG Center. Congratulations to all the winners.
Congratulations to all our winners. You have truly earned this moment. To everyone who have participated, you all are stars. And this fest wouldn't have been the same without your amazing spirit and enthusiasm. As we have come to the conclusion of Incredible Fest, it's time to express our gratitude to everyone who made this event possible. I would now call Mr. Sanat Bandarkar, Faculty Coordinator, to render the vote of thanks.
It is my privilege to propose the vote of thanks for this special occasion. First and foremost, I would like to express our deepest appreciation to our chief guest, Shri Bhojraj Vamanjur sir. Thank you for gracing the occasion, sir. As a token of gratitude, I would like to request Mr. Manel Nayak to kindly present a memento to Mr. Bhojraj Vamanjur. Thank you, sir. A special thanks to our president for the evening, Mr. Manel Nayak. Sir, thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule to be with us. I extend our sincere gratitude to our correspondent, Mr. Ajit Kamath, for gracing the occasion. Thank you, sir. Special thanks to our esteemed director, Dr. Maurius Chaudhary, for your constant support. To all our participants, judges and the attendees, thank you very much for your enthusiastic participation and making this fest a lively occasion. Sincere thanks to all the faculty members of MSNIM for your unwavering support, guidance and encouragement to organize this fest. Your teamwork has been truly commendable. Thank you very much. Big thank you to the organizing committee, my fellow faculty coordinator, Mr. Satvika H. Shetty, and the students of MSNIM who have tirelessly worked behind the scenes to ensure a smooth organization of this event. Your hard work, creativity, and teamwork are truly commendable. Thank you. Lastly, I would like to express my gratitude to our sponsors, media partners, and technical team for your invaluable support to make this event possible. Thank you once again, one and all. Thank you very much.